Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Well, as you can see, we are very green this morning. Things are looking pretty good. Welcome, my name is Martyn Lucas. I go live every trading day, up to 10 hours a day. Our aim is to be the most honest, real YouTube channel on YouTube. No AI, nothing false, everything is real. In fact, I make a promise I will never use AI in the way automating myself, automating my stories, automating my tweets and posts. Absolutely ridiculous. I think it's the end of humanity if we all do that, because you're just watching robots. This is real. We engage with real people every day. This is all my money, and I mean all my money. What you see in my buying power is my bank account. So this is my full journey. Every penny you see I own is on the screen. This is as real as it gets. We've experienced every kind of emotional situation. Thank you, Tommy, for the subscription to my channel. We are going out on 20 different platforms live at the same time, including TikTok, Facebook, multiple websites. Our home is here on YouTube. We're on Rumble. We're on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, multiple websites. Everywhere, but our home is here on YouTube and Rumble. Anyway, look below the video in the description, wherever you are, for all the links. The links are on the screen. There's the ticker. We're giving away money. We like to give away money all the time. Why? Because we like to help people. It's not for bots. It's not for scammers. And it's not for lazy people. It's for people that really want some help, some support. And it's free to all. It's free to enter. Very, very easy. I see we've got over 200 people watching this morning over there on TikTok. Welcome to my top gifters. Thank you very much. If you click the star up here and become a subscriber, just there, look, see the little star? If you become a subscriber, I make exclusive content just for my TikTok users, and I tag you in my viral posts. I have over 33,000 followers on TikTok and hundreds of thousands who follow me across all my platforms. If you subscribe to me, I'll tag you in my viral posts. I only ever follow my members and subscribers. The reason for that is I can do that. If you follow for follow, you just don't get any engagement. I only ever follow my subscribers on TikTok. So if you do that, I will tag you and I will comment to you and I will help you grow on TikTok. Now, if you want to be in our free giveaway, we're giving away $100 in cash live on the show. Join me on YouTube, links in the profile, say I'm from TikTok. I will tell you now, 99% of you won't come through. 99% are scrolling through and they get hit by the pretend versions of me. There are over 100 on TikTok pretending to be me. They're not me. They're never live. They follow for follow, and they always message you and always try and sell you stuff. I never do any of that. So if you are a real person and you're not put off by all of those crazy people, join me on youtube.com/@Martyn Lucas Investor and say, hi, hey, I'm from TikTok. I would like to be in your free draw. I'm giving away $100 today. I do it all the time. I'm here to help people. Come and join me. Right, back to everybody here on YouTube and Rumble and everywhere else. Let me light up Rumble and see who's in there this morning. We are trading live. This is... Is that better? We had no sound there for a minute. Is that better? I apologize. I think we're all good again now. There you go. Sorry about that. I had no sound there for a minute, did I? But we're all good now. We're all good now. We're back on the main screen. Sorry about that. All right. Okay, let's bring in everybody now. First of all, we've got the Queen of Self-Braiding. Now, you notice above my head, it's our second birthday in 28 days. We'll be 2 years old here on the show. We've been going now for 2 years in 28 days' time. Can you believe it? 10 hours a day, every trading day. It's our second birthday in 28 days. All right, and we're hoping to be at 1 million views around about that time. It's going to be slightly after, I think, so I'm keeping the birthday is going to come up first, I think. Anyway, Zach, good morning to you. I made #1 on Facebook. Did you make #1 on Facebook this morning? You were the first person in there. Fantastic. This is you on Facebook, I guess. You were in there this morning. Excellent indeed. Let's go back to our main screen a minute and welcome in our guests. Who have we got? We've got struggling. There's Bill. Bill is struggling this morning. We're sorry to hear that, Bill. Good morning, family. Eric B is here. We fixed the sound, so I'm reading through all the comments that talked about the sound. Camilio Atkinson, I want to welcome you again. We fixed that now, though. Anyway. Let's scroll down. Mako, there you go. There's Mako. Good morning to you. George Otterty. Good morning, George. Yep, we're back. Good morning, Cherry. Is Cherry this morning? We've got Isla Zamarin. Great channel, Martin. Glad to have you here. We've got a challenge we're going to set down, actually. Great channel, Martin. Glad to be part of your community. Ilya Zamarin, where are you from? What part of the world are you from? We're going to set down a challenge. I'm going to do a very special video soon about man versus AI. Everybody now has gone absolutely berserk with AI, creating Twitter posts that they are not creating. Honestly, everyone has gone berserk with the I want to get numbers situation. I want to get numbers at any cost. In other words, I want to grow my Twitter account, YouTube account. There are now people making videos with AI that aren't even there. That exists. I was presented with the technology a couple of weeks ago. I looked at it. I can actually make a video where I am looking off camera, reading a script that has been prepared for me by AI, and my eyes will look like I'm looking at you. It's ridiculous. I will never, ever do it. There are also people creating Twitter posts because they want to grow on Twitter, and the same thing, using zapping and AI, it will search for trending posts, write a post for you and post it and share it and tag it and God knows what else. It's not even you writing your own thoughts. It's ridiculous. So what you've become is a custodian for your own social media. The bot is doing everything. You're including writing your scripts, making your posts, and so on. And I want to fight against this because I think we are at a turning point in history that we're never going to go back on, because people will get lazy and they'll think, well, I'm growing on Twitter. I've got thousands of followers. They're not following you. They're following the bot that wrote the message for you. And I want to go against all of that. I want to be the guy who's always live. And in fact, I'm going to go one step further. I'm going to try something that anybody in social media would tell you never, ever do. I am going to, even though I'm already live all the time and I'm, trying to demonstrate real human connections, even if I'm the last person left doing it, I want to see if it's possible to grow and reach the world and become the best YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok channel run in the world by simply being yourself without any search material whatsoever. In other words, you have such a passionate, committed audience, they will share your posts and it will grow virally by sharing. So what I mean is, the titles of my videos, Martyn Lucas Show, unsearchable, only discoverable by the family who watch me. And the only way you grow is real people sharing the streams, sharing the videos. Wouldn't it be absolutely incredible to go against all AI and show that people are the most important thing? You don't need to have to trend or use an algorithm or whatever. You simply make content. One person finds it, they realize it's real and they support it, and everyone clicks the share button. And virally, by human beings, you grow. I want to try that. I'm planning on doing that. It's for real people that actually want to go against the whole AI culture. I think it's absolutely berserk what's happening. I don't know if any of you are fully aware with the scale of it, but literally people are now creating tweets and videos they didn't even do. It's like this can't be allowed to go unchallenged. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to attempt to go live all the time without any AI whatsoever. I mean, there's always technology involved, you know. I'm sitting in a studio, there's technology, but it's real. Okay, I write every message, I write every title, I make every video, I reply to every comment myself. I copy and paste sometimes if I want to say the same thing twice, but it's me doing it. If I'm just Martyn Lucas, the Martyn Lucas Show, Martyn Lucas Investing, Martyn Lucas Music, and the only way I grow is because people click share and tell someone else, a human being. I don't know, what do you think of that? Is that crazy or what? Is that ridiculous? Anyway, I'd like to see if it's possible. Ilya, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, the good old United States of America. Hey, Ilya, I think we got a guest here this morning. You might notice, Ilya, 95% of my live viewers are actually members. We have the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube when it comes to live viewers who are members, 95%. Anyway, welcome to all of you. Christine Cruz has just liked the stream. People are already dating AI. Isn't it ridiculous? I think this is a time to start. This is the time now it's exploding. This is the time to become the guy who is against it all and who's actually making a point of it. I really do. So I think I'm gonna make a video on it, and I'm gonna try and see if I can grow by just being myself. I mean, I already am anyway, but even more so. I've got some ideas about it. George, people already dating AI. Incredible. Anyway, have we got a guy called Robert in the chat? I don't see it. It looks like Mike is talking to somebody in the chat. I didn't. Oh, hang on, top chat. That's why I need to be on live chat. Did I miss something? Did I miss someone's comments? I don't think I did. Anyway, maybe someone saw something I didn't see. Anyway, let's go through our stocks today. Now, I put a video out over the weekend. I don't think you saw it. A bullish signal for Virgin Galactic. A bullish signal. And I said to you, looking at all the information that I have, if Virgin Galactic held above 326 and it could hold above 326 for a few days, maybe up to a week, it could be a bullish signal knowing that we've got the Italian Air Force flying in June, our first commercial flight. So, interesting point. What do you think about that? Mullen's up today, 6.73. I'm out of the stock. Well, I'm in the stock, 289. I'm down 56% on it. I'm looking forward to at least just getting my money back and getting out of the stock. Anyway. Tesla up today, broke through 200. Now, I had how many shares have I got now of Tesla? I had 20. I sold 4 shares of Tesla. Kind of frustrated about that. I trimmed off the top to buy Virgin Galactic. I kind of regret that decision a little bit. I saw the growth potential there because my Tesla, no matter how bullish I am, is 22% of my portfolio. You have to trim it off. You have to trim it down. That's way too heavy on one stock. It would even be heavy if it was just the S&P. It's very weighted. However, I see huge potential in Tesla right now. So I don't want to trim anymore and end up having to buy it back at 250. Anyway, Virgin has been all over the media, all over the weekend, Zach. Yeah, I've been tracing it. Relatively new to the channel. Great show on the crypto front. Any thoughts on XRP? Well, we have got our crypto expert. I surround myself, Agent Shu. I surround myself by a great team of people. I've got chart readers, scalp readers. I've got crypto guys. And what we're doing here is everything we do is real. We're not promoting or selling anything. Everything is my own positions. It's my real money. I grew my account from $5,000 to where it is today. I show you the full balance. There is my brokerage account. There is my Roth IRA. There is my total amount. We're $500 off an all-time high. My crypto has been moved to my crypto wallets on Coinbase and also moved to my ledger. But when it comes to XRP, we have somebody very, very knowledgeable and very enthusiastic about XRP. He's called Sensei Crypto. And he offers a $1,000 to $10,000 crypto challenge, which I am on right now. And when he comes in, he might be here now. I will put you in touch with him. But he lives and breathes it for us. He serves our channel. Let me just see if he's in the chat. He is in the chat. Sensei Crypto, we need you. All right, there we go. He sponsors our channel, but I only ever take money from sponsors of things I'm actually involved in, that I believe in, that I think's great, that I'm a customer, that I use, and I do. So I will allow him to talk to you on that. However, while we're waiting for him to come in, if you want to access his website for information, here it is. If you are actually a member of my channel, you get a lifetime discount to his services, which virtually makes my membership free. Let me give you some of the things we have this morning. We have a $100 cash giveaway. We love giving money away. It's free to enter, free for all. There it is in the chat. We've got 40 minutes for the bell. Sorry, 40 minutes before the bell goes. And we'll cover all the stocks in a minute. If you go to the competition page, this is what you'll see. We've given away 8,281 tickets. There are actually about 30 people who have taken part. That's all. So you have a 1 in 30 chance of winning. Some people have 1 ticket. Some people have a lot. And you can get tickets for free by doing certain actions on here. Now, I want to put a warning out this morning. Some people think I can scam it by making lots of multiple emails from the same IP address. Some people think, oh, I can use a VPN. We know, and all those get discounted. So don't try and do that. Remember to read the rules. If it says leave a comment, I've got one down here which says leave the comment on the Sound of Silence video. So you need to put that phrase in a comment. It tells you what to do. Don't just click continue and done, because again, it will not count. Your tickets will be unverified and deleted. So you need to go to the video, watch it all the way through like it says, leave a like, and put that phrase in a comment. And for that, I'm giving away, I think, 30 tickets on that one. So you can win our cash prizes. We give away prizes all the time, completely free. You can just get daily tickets or 1 ticket just by coming to the website. It's completely free. However, if you want to increase your chances to win, it's just like buying a lottery ticket. You can buy more lottery tickets, but they are free. No purchase necessary. I need nothing from you. I don't want anything from you other than your company, because you enjoy the show and I want to help people. All right, so it's $100 we're giving away there. We give away cash prizes all the time, and the more people that take part, the bigger the cash prizes will become. Okay. Now then, our guest was talking about Sensei Crypto. Did all of you make sure that you opened the newsletter I sent out on Sunday? If you've not signed up for it, you've got between now and Sunday to sign up for it. It's free. You can always unsubscribe at any point. There it is. Make sure that when you go to the All Links button to sign up for the newsletter, you put your email in there, agree to the terms, which is I will send you an email every week. You can always unsubscribe. But make sure, and some of you haven't done it, 10 of you missed out. When you go to the sign up page, you will be sent an email and it confirms that you want the subscription to the newsletter because we do things properly here. And some of you didn't click on it. It went in your junk folder. And that's why you never received the newsletter on Sunday. You can do it right now and it will send you a verification email and then you'll receive it next Sunday. And we are giving away free tickets in the newsletter. And I think this on Sunday will be the last week for those tickets. So if you want to get those for the competition that ends soon, make sure that you've done that. Yeah, 10 days. It will be the last newsletter, won't it? Before the competition. So make sure that you got the newsletter. All right, if you want those extra tickets. Okay. Let's go for our positions this morning. Any news? Virgin, any news, says Jalal. What do you think about Mullen? I do have some information. I've got a researcher researching Mullen for me. However, for me to be able to report it and give and share the information to you, I need to verify certain facts. I have to verify the information. I have a team of researchers. You can become one of my researchers as well. But I have a team of researchers. However, we have one rule. You have to send me verified information to verify your claims before I can post it. But Jalal, I do have information relating to the stock, but I can't report on it yet until I have confirmation. Henrik, good afternoon from Denmark. We want to welcome in our guests. We go out in 14 different languages. Let me know what your native language is here on the show, and I will welcome you in your language. So this is going out in whoops-a-daisy. Let me just do this now. Hang on, what am I doing? This is going to go out in Danish right now. So we're going to welcome our guest from Denmark. So his name is Henrik. Okay, here we go. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Henrik from Denmark. Welcome to you and all your fellow Danes in Denmark today. Welcome to our show. We go out in 14 different languages, and we are glad to have you here. Okay, here we go in Danish for Henrik.
Godmorgen, god eftermiddag, god aften Henrik fra Danmark. Velkommen til dig og alle dine meddanskere i Danmark i dag. Velkommen til vores show. Vi går ud på 14 forskellige sprog, og vi er glade for at have dig her.
Virgin Galactic question from Milos from Serbia. Welcome to you. I think, if I'm correct in saying, we tried Serbian, but we couldn't do it, could we? But we can do Russian, which I believe is your other native language, I believe. So this is for you. And I will answer your question. Don't forget, if you are a member, I focus on your questions, prioritize my members. I can't answer everyone's questions. So if you are a member, I prioritize your messages. This is going out to Milos. Milos, this is for you in Russian, I believe. I hope it works for you correctly. I don't have Serbian, I'm afraid. But I can do it in Russian, which I believe is another language you use. So this is to you. Thank you very much for being here today.
Доброе утро, добрый день, добрый вечер, Милош из Сербии. Приветствую вас и всех ваших соотечественников в Сербии. Сегодня добро пожаловать на наше шоу. Мы выходим на 14 разных языках, и мы рады видеть вас здесь.
There you go. I hope that works. What do I think of Virgin Galactic? Well, I said it's a bull signal if it can keep above 326 for a week. Well, it has. So we are very, very happy about that. Sid from the Netherlands. Hello, how are you? Camilo Atkinson, Spanish. What country are you from? Camilo, what country are you from? And are you a drummer holding drumsticks? If you are, I can promote your music channel. Welcome in, says Ed Nevius. Good morning. Let me know, Camilo, where you are from, and I will gladly do something for you. Okay, Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit, Rivian, Mullen, Tesla, Lucid. My overall position, let's have a quick look at it. Where are we right now? We're holding up today, consistently up. We're up again today. Roth IRA is up. My overall balance is about $550 away from an all-time high, and that is essentially because of Virgin Galactic taking me down. But other than that, we're doing very well. Spain, yes, a drummer. Well, lovely to welcome you here. I'm Martyn Lucas, the World Piano Man. Here is my music channel, voted by Elton John. I have lots of videos with me with drummers from all over the world. Go and check it out. This is my show here when I was wearing Elton John's jacket, doing Lion King, Phantom of the Opera, my Vegas showgirls. Got the British Philharmonic Orchestra with me here, and musicians from the British Philharmonic Orchestra. You might enjoy my music channel. Go and check it out. We did tributes over the weekend for Memorial Weekend, of course. Anyway, links in the profile, and it's below every video. It's below all my videos and on the homepage of my channel. So, you speak Spanish, and are you from Spain or Mexico? Or anywhere else that speaks Spanish? Let me know what country you're from. I'd like to know. So, I think it's very, very weak, Milos. However, I think Virgin Galactic has perhaps a bullish signal. It's very weak. I'm not saying it's bullish on the stock overall, even though I am bullish on all the stocks I own. If I wasn't, I wouldn't own them. But I think if it can hold this position, however, because of its vulnerability and weakness, you don't go all in on it. It would be irrational and unbalanced to go all in. Anyway, I need everyone's help here today. This is the full live channel. We don't use AI. We do it old school. We do it with human beings. The only way we grow is by human beings tapping that like button. I've got 44 watching me right now. The only way we grow, unlike others, we don't use AI. We don't use trending search terms or trending thumbnails. Please, we've got 43 watching. The only way we survive is through members and people actively clicking the like button to keep it live, to keep it real. No AI here at all. Please do smash the like button. There's 43 watching, just 20 likes. Please do that. And over on Rumble, I'm going to give you the follow button, because on Rumble, you follow me. There we go. Please do it. Don't just fall asleep and sit there. I need your help. The only way we survive is real people doing real things. Follow me there on Rumble. I see we got 21 now. Fantastic. We're going up. Thank you very much for all of you. Henrik has liked the stream on Facebook. Thank you so much. So much. We are trying to fight against AI, and I am trying to grow without any AI whatsoever, and I require everyone to be a human and active before it's too late. When all channels go AI, all tweets are AI, no one's writing anything anymore. Please do every day, like and share my stuff, because I am going to fight against AI and always be live. And the only way I'll grow is you actively share what I am doing. Otherwise, I've got no chance to compete against it. And we don't want to lose another live channel. Anyway, we are running, I think we're running a poll actually, on Twitter today with regard to Virgin Galactic. I think that poll is still running. Let me have a quick look. Yes, it is. It's about to close in 13 hours. So the question I asked you, now we have an agreement on the debt ceiling, this could see the markets rise. Well, that happened today. I was right there. We will see a bounce with Virgin Galactic. High risk drops and rises first. Will we see a bounce? So I need all of you. Here is the link. I need every single one of you. Remember, this channel isn't for lazy people. There's the link in the chat. I need you to click on that. We're actually giving you $100 in cash to actually like this, to actually comment on this as well. We're giving you a prize away. It's one of our prizes on our channel. Anyway, on our giveaway page. So there's the link. Go and vote. Go and vote. There we go. People are voting now. Like and comment. Go and comment to me why you think that Virgin Galactic could pop up and has a bullish signal. All right? Okay, let me give everybody on Rumble the same link as well. If you want to take part in our, there it is. If you want to take part in our post and you want to keep this all live, take part. Don't sit there and complain that everything is now AI and no posts are real and no tweets are real. I write my tweets all by hand myself, and the only way I'm going to survive, compete against all the other rubbish. Thank you, Leah. You all right this morning? How are you this morning, Leah? Lovely cup of coffee there. Leah's been on a holiday for the last 4 days. You happy to be back at work? No, really? No. All right. Thank you for my coffee. The lovely Leah just brought me a cup of coffee half an hour to go. Here it is. If you want one of my mugs, you can get one in the chat. I do have mugs for sale if you want to buy one. I will never message you and try and sell you anything. If anyone messages you anywhere and tries to sell you anything, it's not me. Okay? Okay, Mike is keeping Twitch going. Thank you, Mike. Martin, you have the best YouTube channel in the world. Thank you so much indeed, Mike, for that. Thanks, Leah, says Mike. Camillo, I didn't find out what country you were from. I'm writing a message for you here by hand myself. I just need you to tell me what country you're from. I know you speak Spanish, but what country are you from? Virgin Galactic, if it breaks below 326, then I will say it's turning bearish from here. However, if we can keep it up, then that's good. Tesla, 27 minutes to go. QQQ hits 52-week high. QQQ hits 52-week high. Let me go over to my Bloomberg feed and see if we've got any information that we can share with you. Let's have a little look here. We might have some information.
It's a very long, drawn-out, cumbersome process because already you have senators like Mike Lee of Utah who say it doesn't go deep enough in the spending cuts, and then others like Lindsey Graham who want to see amendments for higher defense spending because they don't think 3% is enough when you start to factor in inflation. So while there is a path to get this done by June 5th, there could potentially be some drama.
Kaylee, is time against us?
Well, the clock certainly isn't in anyone's favor here because we're now less than a week out from June 5th, which, as Anne-Marie was just alluding to, does provide some challenges because there isn't much room for error, and yet there is room for error in Congress. And we have to keep in mind as well that it isn't ultimately just about getting to June 5th. It's whether the ratings agencies decide that we're too close to the brink because, of course, we had Fitch putting the U.S.'s credit rating on negative watch last week. We all know what happened in 2011 where we hadn't even hit the X date yet and the U.S. was downgraded. So certainly there are risks here. We also have to consider the risk for the market of the deal actually making it through Congress, passing, the president putting the signature on it, raising the debt ceiling in time. What that means, though, John, is that the Treasury is then free to borrow and will need to borrow a ton in order to rebuild its coffers. We're talking estimates of $1 trillion in issuance by the end of the third quarter, and that could really create a liquidity drain for this market and ultimately weigh on risk assets, even if there is a deal in the first place.
Let's have that conversation right now. Kelly Lyons, Anne-Marie, to the two of you down in Washington. Fantastic work through the weekend covering this deal as it came through. Joining
There you go. Thank you for that. We'll come back to that if we get any more information over there on Bloomberg. We like to bring you all the live breaking news around the world as it happens. And I'm always scouring for the latest information to bring you the latest information. All right. Now, if you're in the chat right now here on YouTube, has everyone taken part in my giveaway? I'm giving away $100. It ends soon. It's free to enter, free for all. There it is, and anyone can win. No purchase necessary. Please take part. There is the link for you. Virgin Galactic is holding up at the moment, which is good. So we've got just 24 minutes to go before the bell goes. And we're hoping to see the markets take off a little bit today. And what are we doing? Well, we're going to try and trim off a bit of Virgin Galactic. That is my aim today. If I can, I want to take profits out of Virgin Galactic and see how we can do. Anyway, we're getting ready for it. We're just a few moments to go now. Here is my Roth IRA. This is where I'll be trading from, because I can trade here for free without any tax penalties or pay any tax. We don't want to pay tax. It's all very well and good making trades, but if you're going to pay tax on them, you straight away lose 20%. We don't want to do that. We want to avoid that. So I trade in my Roth IRA. It still appears to be very weak, to be honest. Yes, I agree with you totally, Ilya. It is incredibly weak. We are trying to get more information from Virgin Galactic ahead of any public announcement about the data collected from the last test flight. Because, of course, we know the test flight was visually successful. However, they may have had technical complications. We won't know until the data is released. And, of course, if that's good, then the Italian Air Force first commercial flight goes ahead in June, which will be good, right? Very, very bullish. However, we don't know what the data is yet from that, so we're still looking in for that. Anyway, here's some more information that you might need.
It at the bank. So it's already starting to happen. Does that continue? It could. So what does that mean for banks? Well, they've had a tough time since the banking crisis started back in March, but I think they can level that off a little bit, raise rates a little bit. Yes, it hurts their margins, but I think they're going to have no other choice but to do that.
If we can park this and refocus on the data, payrolls on Friday, June 13th CPI, June 14th the Fed decision. Victoria, I've got Andrew Honhorst over at Citi setting the bar pretty low. He says 200,000 new jobs out this week, another 0.4% month-on-month core CPI read. He says this Fed's going to hike in June. Are you on the same side as that?
I don't think I can disagree with them from where we sit right now. Look at Fed Fund futures. I mean, you've got a...
Let's talk about that. It's very, very important and very, 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 very dangerous for Virgin Galactic. It is likely now that we are going to get a rate hike, even though just a few weeks ago we were pretty confident on a no more rate hikes. But it does look like the chances of another rate hike is likely. Now then, has the market priced it in already? Yes. That's why we've had a bit of a pullback and why the markets aren't pulling away right now. We have had a bit of a pullback, and it is priced in. So if we don't get a rate hike, the markets are going to like it and react positively. But remember, if we get a rate hike and it gets reduced in a month or two, that is just the same as having the rates not change and held up for 3 or 4 months. It just balances out. It's the same thing. Either way, I believe we are going to turn bullish, because if we have a rate hike, it's already priced in, the markets is already prepared for it. If we get a rate hike It's a responsible thing for the Fed. People, the market is all about certainty and responsible fiscal action. We want to see inflation coming down. It's key to everything. So if we get a rate hike, it will probably suggest a rate cut in another couple of months, which is a very, very good signal to the market. However, if we don't get a rate hike, it means the rates will stay up where they are. And I've been saying this now for the longest time, for another 6 months, which is the same as raising them up a couple of times and then back down again. So I think we are coming to the end of the tightening. I think this is, even though it's painful, it's like taking your final medicine to cure your disease, if you like. I think it's ultimately priced in. The markets are prepared for it. I think we're going to turn bullish. I think the war's going to end this year. So I am all in on my stocks. I say when I'm all in, I've got every penny I've got invested. I mean, let's be absolutely clear so everyone knows. I've only got $2,000 in the bank. That buying power is my bank account. As I've explained before, I only earn what you see here, right? This is my income. My full-time job is being with you, and I only exist here live for you because of the members. I earn no money from these live shows, none at all. I make a couple of bucks a video when I make a video. These live videos earn me absolutely nothing. The only way I earn any money from these shows is members. So I earn about $7 a day, and you could go and check that. There's loads of social media that tells you what a YouTuber earns. So you know what I earn. And I only earn from my trades and $7 a day. So I'm investing in myself right now. I used to earn, up to $20,000 a show when I sold out a theatre as the World Piano Man. Now I earn absolutely sod all in comparison. And it's an investment in myself because I want to grow the best, most honest YouTube channel in the world. So right now, that's all the money I've got. You can see they're in cash in the bank. That's what pays the bills. And it sits in cash because it earns 11.68. Sorry, it earns 4.65. You can see the uninvested cash. Thank you, Zach, for liking the stream on Facebook. Really, really helps when you like all my social media. Here we go. Some more information just coming in. Let me just bring it on the screen. Here's the numbers. There we go. We can see now Nvidia up 4.2. Palantir up 7. Tesla 3.85. Very nice indeed, but you get some pennies from commercials. Like I say, about $7 a day. Yeah, I earn 1 cent per person for each commercial. It's about $7 a day with the amount of people that watch my channel. Yeah, that's right. It's about $7 a day. Okay, keeping an eye on all the information. Now, Nvidia. Now, if you didn't buy Nvidia, don't worry about it. You already have it. At least people that follow my show do. We have it because we have it on the S&P 500. And we have Microsoft. And we have... Oh, here's some more information for you just coming in. Let's get the Nikkei up 0.3, Kospi up 1.04, Hang Seng up 0.4, FTSE up down 0.62, the CAC down 0.6, and the DAX in Germany up 0.41. 15 minutes to go before we ring the bell. Okay, today's bell is sponsored by Sensei Crypto, and we are thankful for that. Sensei pays $99 a month to sponsor my channel. Tio Roll, hey there. Wow, seems like there's a great audience again. How many have we got in today? How many got? We got 58. Fantastic. Thank you ever so much indeed this morning. Good morning to you. For those of you watching my stream, you will know that we are fighting against AI. People now are YouTube creators, Twitter account holders are creating content made by AI. It's not real. It's not them. I will never, ever use it. It's my pledge to you. And because of it, I am struggling to grow because people are using trending search terms. I am not doing it, and I'm going to go even more that it's just myself. Martyn Lucas Show. That's it. I want to fight against AI and prove that people together have more power. So to do that, we are building an army. It's called the Lucasades. Hashtag LUCADES. Lucasades. It's my fans, my members, the family. And if you don't want AI to take over the world, then get off your ass and help somebody here who sits here for 10 hours a day trying to keep it live. Just smash that like button and that share button. The only way I grow is not through trending search terms on any social media, is because people like and people share to other human beings. That's the only way I grow. There's 59 watching, 29 likes. There's another 20 people who could like the video and share it. Stick it on your social media and help us grow and keep live entertainment live without any AI whatsoever to promote it or inflate it. I think it's important. Otherwise, civilization is over. If you're watching a show thinking it's live and it's an AI robot, trust me, I can make videos with AI. You'd think it was me. It's incredible. Using scripts and all sorts, tweeting posts that aren't me. Can you imagine if we ever went down that road? Unbelievable. 14 minutes to go. If we can keep Virgin Galactic above 326 for a few more days, then we are bullish, because we have the data coming out soon for the last test flight, and then we'll have the Italian military in June, and when that happens, of course, then we enter commercial flights. So that could be good for the stock. Okay, we're also going to cover the FOMC report live with Jerome Powell. We are 27 days away from our second birthday. We've been going here live for 2 years in 27 days. You can check that in the About section of my account, and you can see exactly when we started, which is in 27 days. It tells you right there. Lucid, Apple, Amazon. We have some news for Mullen. Once I can confirm it is genuine, I will share it. Now then, I bought some more of McDonald's. People said to me, you're buying a stock which is overpriced. Correct. However, you cannot overpay for land. And you buy a flat in London, it costs you $10 million to buy a flat in London, or 20 million, ridiculous, but it still goes up in value. You can never overpay for land, and it just keeps going up. So my golden rule on McDonald's is, when you get a 5% drop, as we did last week, you buy it. And it's 2.2% of my portfolio. It's part of the S&P. It pays me a dividend, and the idea is to earn as much as I can in dividends and reinvest, but not automatically. I don't believe in automatic reinvestment. That's lazy, because if you're buying on a pump, you're just wasting your money. You wait for dips and then buy. Whereas if you auto reinvest, of course, you're always buying at the top, because when the dividends get paid out, the stock is at the top, and tends to be the case. Anyway, it's the people who are not active. For, next year, energy, Enphase, Bitcoin. And we're about to start the bull run. I still think it's got one final leg down to 15,000. We've got evidence to support that. Robinhood, bit of algo trading there, bit of barcoding there. See that? This is a big part of my portfolio now. Kathy Wood believes in this one. It's 16% of my Roth IRA. I believe that Robinhood, if rates go up, Robinhood makes more money. Capitulation, all the retail investors getting stuffed, getting margin called out of the market. That's when we hit bottom. Robinhood, everyone will start buying in again. Robinhood is beating Schwab. If you look at the chart and you compare it. So I like Robinhood. I use it myself. It's what I'm on now, but I am buying it, and it's 16% of my Roth. And I'm actually up now, 1.84. I'm expecting to take this over 930 by the next quarter, and then I will trim back a little bit and buy more S&P. Tilray, absolutely awful. Tilray, we bought it the other day when it went down. It was diluted to raise money for the company. However, excuse me a minute, I'm just a bit uncomfortable. My chair's a bit... Ugh, my chair's not right this morning. Anyway, that's a bit better. Tilray was an overreaction. Tilray last week diluted. You saw it there, look. And I doubled up my position. I felt that was an overreaction. Remember, high-risk stocks, people always overreact both ways. Up ways, they say they're going to get rich for doing nothing, and selling it all off, going to go to zero for doing nothing, all right? When they announced, Simon announced that they diluted the stock sold off, and I bought right at the bottom, and I doubled my position. I felt to myself, that is an overreaction. And it is an overreaction. It's still bad, but it's not as bad as that. So I doubled my position. It's now overweighted. And I am down 14% on my Roth and 18% on my main account. And I want to sell my Roth position, not my main position. That's long term. Don't want to pay any tax. I want to sell my Roth position when I can get my money back, okay, or even make 5% profit, something like that. Anyway, okay, because I've now got a lower price in my main account, I don't need to own it in my Roth IRA. And again, I can then buy the S&P as we go into the bull run, or even Virgin Galactic, perhaps if we're still down, or Tesla is what I'd be looking to do. Remember, I never trade, sell anything without knowing where I'm going next. Callum Broadstock, are you trimming off, or are you long term for Virgin Galactic, Martin, or trading account? Callum Broadstock, I have two accounts, my trading account, my scalping account, my day trading, and my long term. They're all very, very different. My long-term position I'm keeping and trimming at 30. My scalping position, I'm making money all along the way. I'm not married to any stock. I'm just here to make money. Ilya says, absolutely right. They are awfully quiet. Yes, Virgin Galactic are terrible at their marketing. They are. Nvidia up even more, but I'm already out. You're not out if you own the S&P, if you own Google, if you own Microsoft. You already have all those benefits. With the debt ceiling increase without curtailing of spending, the Fed has no other option but to continue increasing rates going forward. Ilya, that's his opinion, but you get some pennies from commercials, correct, about $7 a day. There you see by those European indices, not everyone participating in the rally. Important to know and analyze, indeed, and that's why I always show it. When is the second test flight? It's not a test flight, Anton. It's a commercial flight in June with the Italian Air Force, a high Britmark. We should calculate the level of dilution and compare that, the real effect. I did TO roll. I did, and that's why I bought Tilray. I calculated how many more shares have been released, what the price for those shares were, how much the company should come down. That's why I made the decision to buy more. It was, and I stand by it, it was an overreaction. And we can already see the benefits of my position. Okay? It was an overreaction. So, anyway, that's my position on that. To pay tax, you need to sell one stock that you made profit from. Right? Andrew, let me explain it for you. If you want me to go in depth with it, you need to be a member. I have to focus on the members. Let me just give everybody a couple of links. First of all, here's the cash giveaway. We're giving away $100 live on our show. It's free to enter, free for all. Let's see if anyone's taken part. We've got 5 minutes to go. I'm about to ring the bell. It's sponsored this morning by Sensei Crypto. Bear with me a second as we bring it in. Let me just wait on this screen for a second. We want to be on time. Camilo's from Spain. We've got a guest from Spain now. Wonderful. We go out in 14 different languages. Spanish is one of those. Okay, here we go. In 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 minutes to go before the bell goes. Yes. So I was going to share this with you. 8,281 tickets we've given away. Only 30 people in our giveaway. Let's refresh it and see if anybody has claimed their free tickets by revisiting this page today, just by coming back. 8281 8348. Fantastic. More of you have taken part. Make sure that you get your free tickets, and you can turn all these actions into ticks. And we add new ones every day. And please do make sure, if you are entering the magic number from the newsletter, please try to help people here. I don't want to say too much to give it away, right? All I'm going to say is this. You get extra tickets by getting the newsletter. So those of you that don't get the newsletter don't know the magic number. Have I made myself clear without giving it away? If you get the newsletter, you get the extra tickets for the magic number. Enter the magic number in the competition. Okay? Those that don't get it don't know what the number is. So think about then what you do next. Some people like to share the magic number, which defeats the object if you get in the newsletter. Anyway, I'm trying to help people here. And if you are watching one of the videos, make sure that you leave the correct comment. Sounds of silence. We've got, I created this video here about Virgin Galactic and all of the silence from Virgin Galactic and all of the nonsensery and the manipulation of the stock. I made a video on it for you and gave you opportunity to win tickets. All right, here it is. Here it is. You might want to check this out. Leave a comment and a like. Look at this, look. There is our hacker in the dark. This is Virgin Galactic, the sound of silence. An opportunity for you to see my video here, but also check out our hacker. I'm trying to give you some information here in a way that those of you that are clever work it out. All right, I'm trying to help people. You have to be a little bit smart with this. There is the video. Okay. All right. Anyway, 3 minutes, just over 2 minutes to go. You can claim your free tickets. And make sure that you do actually watch the video all the way through. If you try and cheat, some people do, then your tickets will not be counted. They get null and void. Some people click on it and don't watch all the way through or don't like, and they think, I can cheat. You can't. We're very sophisticated and we know exactly what you're doing. Okay, so there you go. We are running this poll. Will Virgin Galactic bounce? You also earn a chance to win $100 by retweeting this. It's one of our giveaway actions. There you go. There's the post. Make sure that you tweet, leave a comment. 41 votes, 68% reckon it's going to go up. Okay, here we go. Our bell is sponsored this morning by Sensei Crypto. The overall portfolio is moving up. Here we go. Virgin Galactic is going up. We've got a minute to go now. Here we go. Let's get ready to ring the bell. If it holds above, you have Robinhood is not in the UK. It's coming to the UK later this year. And every one of my members is going to get free shares because I'm going to give all of you a referral and you're all going to get free shares. And it's very exciting. I can't wait. Here is my invitation for those of you in the US that want some free stock and want my support on it. I'm going to give it to everybody now in the chat. Here it comes, my Robinhood link. This will get you free stocks. It also gets me some free stocks, which I will share with you on the screen. 38 seconds to go. I put the link in twice in the chat. If you set that up or you want any help, I will help you with it. Here we go. 30 seconds to go. 25 seconds to go. We're counting down now. And today's show has been brought to you by Sensei Crypto. We are just now coming up to 10 seconds to go. Virgin Galactic, thank you, Sensei, for sponsoring our bell. You can sponsor our bell. We can promote your business just for $99 a month, and you go out on many, many platforms. 3, 2, 1. The bell is gone. Sensei Crypto, thank you very much for your sponsorship. And Virgin Galactic bounced on the bell. It did drop and then came straight back up again. Let's see where it goes today. Thank you for those that are voting on the poll. We have now 41 votes. 41 votes. And again, I am going to try and wake up humankind because I'm trying to help people here help themselves. You can take a horse to water, but you can't make it drink. I've given you the chance here to promote Virgin Galactic. We've got 41 votes. Only 3 people have retweeted it. I do not do any AI to promote my channel. I do not do it. I only grow and we only get the message out by real people liking, tweeting, posting and commenting. The whole system is not going to help me because I refuse to use AI. If you want to keep live, if you want to keep all of this live and this engagement real and help me become the best YouTube channel in the world, then please retweet the post, retweet it. Not only do you get a benefit to promote your favorite stock, but you also can win $100 for doing it, and you'll keep Twitter live, at least with my channel, whereas everybody else is now going into AI and creating AI tweets because it trends. I will not do it, and I only survive with your support. Without your support and you all retweeting that, I've got no chance. Anyway, let's go through our stocks and our positions. We are getting a bounce this morning. It's priced in for a rate hike now. So if we don't get one, this is all bullish. The markets are potentially turning bullish this summer. I've been saying that now consistently for 6 months. My portfolio has been up consistently now for 6 months. Virgin Galactic is going up again. It needs to hold this. It needs to hold. It doesn't, if it falls below 326, it then goes bearish again. It needs to remain above. Rivian holding up. Mullen, we're getting the morning sell-off now because we had a bounce pre-market. Tesla just dropping back. If Tesla goes down around the 170, I'll buy more. McDonald's going down. If McDonald's goes down 5%, I will definitely buy more. Okay, let's read some of your comments in. Lewis, you have Robinhood in the UK. Not yet. I'll bring it to you when it does. Acon, E-Turn on watch. Ed Nevius, he's giving you his top tips. This is one of our team. Ed Nevius is one of the Sensei Crypto team. He's bringing you our scalp trades every morning. If you want to know what he's trading before he does it, we share all that information on our Discord. Members only can see all that information. McDonald's going down. Perhaps going to buy another one. Highly recommend if you get the chance. Highly recommend that. Yes, that's what I'm doing anyway. Good afternoon all, says Crag. Welcome to you. Keeping our eye this morning. And we're looking out today for the data from the last flight test. Coca-Cola, also a good opportunity to buy more today. Defensive stocks now selling off. That's encouraging because they are sources of funds for the high-risk stocks. 7% now, J&J. Opportunity there to buy more. If you can trim off. Google going down, 39% up. Microsoft having a bit of a sell-off right now. But despite all of this selling off, once again, my portfolio is resilient. Look, I am up. I am up again. I am up on on the month. I'm up on the 3 months, year to date. As you can see, consistently up, consistently making money despite everything. It just shows you a balanced portfolio is absolutely essential. Top tip, by the way, I think Matic, and I put a tweet on it. Matic is how you pay for your gas fees, NFTs, moving money around. It's the cheapest way of doing it on the Polygon network. And I believe that Matic has a major upswing in line, and I was down 4%. I bought when it went down 4%. I'm now up 5.46. I'm running a poll on it. I do believe that Matic has a very good signal. Let me share with you that poll. Some of you haven't noticed it yet. You've missed out on this one. Very, very important bit of crypto here, information. Here is the poll. I'm going to give you the link. Also giving you an opportunity here to win $100 by retweeting this. There you go. There is the tweet. I'll give it to everybody on Rumble as well. Vote on it and leave a comment and retweet it. All right, get busy, folks. The only Twitter and YouTube channel pretty much left that doesn't use any AI at all. And the only way I survive is you actually taking part and retweeting. Otherwise, my channel can die. Anyway, what is this app? What is this app? We got a guest. What country are you from? Are you from Korea? Are you from Korea? Let me come back to Virgin Galactic a second. It's still holding. Right, we had a guest here from Spain. Camilo is from Spain. I wanted to know where he was from. He's now told me. We go out in 14 languages, and we want to welcome all our guests from around the world, because this channel belongs to you. Here we go. This is in Spanish for Camilo. Let me know your native language, and I will address you in your native language. We aim to be the most honest, real channel on YouTube, bringing the world together. We've raised over $1 million for our charities, and that's what we're all about, helping people. If you're a silver member, you can have a fundraiser, and we can raise money for your charity. All right, here we go. This is for Camilo.
Buenos días, buenas tardes, buenas noches, Camilo desde España. Bienvenido a ti y a todos tus compatriotas españoles en España hoy. Bienvenidos a nuestro programa. Salimos en 14 idiomas diferentes y nos complace tenerte aquí.
There we go. Taiwan. Taiwan, what is your native language? In fact, I can find out. Taiwan native, is it Chinese? Taiwan native language is Mandarin. Mandarin. So let's see if I can address you in Mandarin. I will do my very best to do so. Okay, watching Virgin Galactic hold right now. I don't think I have Mandarin. I thought I did. I'm surprised that I don't. It looks like it's Chinese Mandarin. Ah, I see. It's under Chinese. So, Chinese Mandarin, that's the only way I can do it. Okay, here we go then. So, how is the music channel going? I have slowed down on looping. It's at 3,850. We are stuck. Anyway. Taiwan, here we go. This is from our special guest here from Taiwan. Welcome to you and our fellow... I hope I've got this right. In Taiwan, here we go. I don't know what your name is, so I don't know how to do that. But this is for you in your language. I hope this works for you.
早上好，下午好，来自台湾的晚上好，欢迎您和您今天在台湾的所有朋友，欢迎来到我们的节目。我们以14种不同的语言进行演出，很高兴您能来到这里。
Now you might wonder why I'm doing all these languages. It's because we aim to be the most real, supportive, live channel on YouTube. We are creating a global audience, so we get the best guests. We are hoping as we get hundreds of thousands, if not millions of subscribers, that we can get the best guests, because we are the best, most honest channel in the world. We'll have guests from all around the world, so our information will be the most accurate. We'll have the most diverse information and portfolios and guests and so on. So that's why we do all this, and we're also trying to be real for people, so you have a real place to go, a real voice. That is the purpose of what we are about. Anyway, yes, Mike was asking how my music channel is going. It's dying, folks, because I'm spending all my time on this channel. So I ask you, help me out by looping this in the background. There is my music channel. There, look, it's below this main video. Please do go and look up my music. But yeah, it's because I'm focused on this channel, unfortunately. It's stuck at 3,850. I need to get to 4,000 watch hours so we can do more live concerts and more fundraisers. Anyway, There we go. Virgin Galactic. It just dropped off, but it's still holding. Our crypto is doing well today. We talked about my Matic position. Now, you might go, you've only got one. I haven't. I've removed it all. It doesn't sit here. It's been taken off to my wallet, my Ethereum, my Doge, all of it, my BTC, all of it. It sits elsewhere. It doesn't sit here. Okay, this is where I can just see what my averages are, okay? I remove it. My Roth IRA up again today. Yeah, my overall position is up. My Roth is up. There we go. We got $450 to go for another all-time high. Very, very nice indeed. Very, very nice indeed. So we are very green today. Our position is good. Looping now. Thank you, Mike. Thank you, Mike. Very much indeed. Now then. If anybody wants to call in to the show, I'm going now to open up the broadcast lounge. The broadcast lounge on Discord is now open. Here is Discord. If anybody wants to call into our show, they can do it via phone call or video link. It's free. However, it's for members only. We don't want bots and scammers and silly people coming in. There is the Discord link. If you want to be a member of our channel, here is the link. You get 20 times back what you put in. It's why 95% of our live viewers are members. The highest engagement rate for that analytic on any channel on YouTube, even more than Mr. Beast. He has about 9% of his live viewers are members. I have 95%. It's the highest in the world. I've checked. There is an invitation if you want to join and be part of it. Okay. Thanks, Eric. Also looping. Thank you, Eric B. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Can't thank you enough. 27 days to our second anniversary. Right, the overall portfolio is good. The S&P is holding up. Virgin Galactic's coming up. We need to break $4 again to turn this mega bullish. Right now, it's just holding on and surviving for the Italian Air Force. As I get information for you, I will share it. How is that poll going? No one has voted yet on this poll. I'm really surprised that Polygon is the payment system for the Ethereum network. I don't know why no one's noticing this. It's trending right now, and I've been doubling my position. There it is. Vote on this poll. What do you think? Is it going past $1? I think there's evidence that it could, and only 3 votes. I'm surprised by that. Let me see how you're all voting on Virgin Galactic. 43 votes now, 4 retweets. That's better. Okay, good. And by retweeting, not only are you keeping this all live, of course, but you are also entered into our draw. As long as you've claimed the ticket, of course, on the giveaway page. This is the giveaway page, remember? Go below here, martynlucas.com/giveaway. Make sure to retweet the post and claim your tickets for doing it. You can win $100. Don't miss out on that. Okay. Let's have a look. Have we got any more news coming in from Bloomberg this morning? Let's have a quick look. It looks like some of you have just claimed some special tickets and found out some special information in my special video I made. I'm glad some of you noticed that. I've got a video running here, and this is one I've just created for you. It's called The Sound of Silence. It's got a flip back to Virgin Galactic. This is my video here. Sound of Silence. I'm giving you the chance to win 30 tickets on it, and also giving you information about Virgin Galactic. If you're smart enough, you'll work it out. Okay, it's the way I share information is through these videos, and the links in the profile, and there it is. This is my Sound of Silence. The link's there. I turn my collar to the cold and down. Go and check it out. Otherwise, you'll you won't be aware of what I'm talking about. Anyway, I'm giving you a chance to win some money there on Virgin Galactic. Scenes going on behind the scenes, and touch the sound of silence. In the naked light I saw. There you go. Go and check that out. Information's there. You just got to go and find it. It's on the competition page. our hackers and our behind the scenes manipulation. This is how I share information. It's only for those of you who are smart enough to work it out. Anyway, that's why we do it. Bit of fun. Okay. S&P, Virgin Galactic. What's going on here this morning with Virgin Galactic? Are we turning bullish? No one dared disturb the sounds. All right. Let's have a look. Virgin Orbit, Rivian, Mullen. We've got some news about Mullen. We're just not happy to share it yet. It needs to be verified. Once it's verified, we will share it with you. That I might teach you. But we need to get that information verified before we share it with you. Okay. So this video is giving $100 away if you want to go and check it out. Free tickets. You can win $100 by leaving the right comment that I tell you in a phrase. There's our Virgin Galactic hacker behind the scenes. Hopefully you've seen this video by now and worked it all out. Anyway, I've made it as clear to you as I can. And the people bowed and prayed. That's as much as I can share with you on the screen for copyright reasons. Anyway, moving along. Our position is holding up. Our Roth IRA is still going up despite the overall sell-off. Now, my Roth IRA is still moving up. And we'll soon be at all-time highs again. We are 550 away from an all-time high. Let's see if we can take profits today from Virgin Galactic. The overall position is going up. We need to trim off now. Now, let's have a look. Meta, Rio Tinto, Ford is up today, 4.38. Let's read some of these comments. I am unable to make a comment in the Rumble live chat. Why is that? What have you done? Why is that? I'm looking at Rumble right now, Eric. Hi. Yeah, I'm able to write one. Are you signed in with the right account? Are you following it? I don't know why you can't write in the chat. It's working. Anyway. XRP looking good. Sensei Crypto, desperately trying to get hold of you. A couple of people have been asking for you regarding your services. And somebody also asked about XRP this morning. Very, very important. Check back the comments, Sensei. Martin, do you see space being bullish soon? You have correctly anticipated the rollback to 3. Now what? No crystal ball needed. What's just that juicy brain of yours, Martyn 1988? Well, this is my thoughts on it, but it depends on the data I can get out of Virgin Galactic ahead of the announcement. I'm trying to get the information out of Virgin Galactic for the data that was collected on the last test. Because remember, the plan is for a good Italian Air Force flight in June, our first commercial flights. However, we do need to have the data. It's very, very important that the data was good. So I had said if it holds above 326, it's weak, very risky, but bullish, just on a knife edge. It's why I doubled my position. You can see here, there's my Roth IRA and my brokerage position. In my brokerage position, I got 4.78. There it is on the screen. This is my real money. This is what I'm doing with my real cash. And I got 8%. That's incredibly bullish on my Roth IRA. And my Roth IRA is just about to break new records again, by the way. Look, I'll share with you. There it is. There's my Roth. There's my real cash, my real money. So if it can hold for a week at above 326, then it's a bullish signal. That doesn't mean it's bullish. It's just going to go up. We're all going to make money. I just think it's worth holding it at this stage. However, you need to have balance. There are people going all in and using margin. That's ridiculous. Piano playing in the background now. Thank you very much indeed, Zed Hink. Thank you ever so much. He's running my music channel. Thank you so much indeed, guys. I am so close to getting the 4,000 watch hours. If everyone who wants to keep my music channel alive, so I can do my fundraisers, my live concerts, click on that link there. And while you're watching this show, let it run. We're at 3,850. My music channel is dying because I'm always here with you. And I can't let that happen. I might have to stop doing some of these lives soon to put time into these into my music channel, unless you can help me by doing that. Anyway, I'm not worrying about space. I'm holding until the founder flight in August with the unnamed celebs. I will sell half if I get a pump next month. Craig, I'm same strategy as you. Check BITF. There we go. Top tip. The Queen of Cell Braiding has given you a tip. BITF. There you go. Have a look at that. I think the best is yet to come for space. Craig, XRP looking good. Take a look back above 50 cents. Yes, I saw. Great Sensei, I saw it. Tilray going down even more. Now, Sensei, I had a couple of people message me saying that they were thinking of leaving your services because there's been no action, nothing to do for the last month. And they said, I'm paying out for this service and I'm not getting anything. I'm thinking of leaving. And I contacted them and explained what Sensei is doing is the right thing, is the responsible thing. Sometimes it is boring investing. We are not a channel telling you to buy and sell, to get rich, to run to the hills, dramatic. We are not trying to create headlines. We are not trying to create, content where you watch. The opposite. I just go live, share with you my life experiences, share real information, and it's not always exciting. Sometimes it's boring. Sensei is being very responsible with your money. He is not telling you to buy or sell until it's the right time, just because you are paying for a membership for his services. We're not just trying to keep you buying and selling stuff. The fact that we've said we are not buying and we are not selling is for a specific strategic reason. Sensei is studying the crypto every day for you, providing information on his website, in his Discord for you. But right now, it isn't go out and dump it all, go out and buy it all. So that's what you want from a service. We are on the I'm on the $1,000 to $10,000 challenge. Some of you are on the $7,000 to $100,000 challenge, and it's all balanced and is well thought out. It's not to get you to watch the YouTube channel or even designed to get you to sign up as a member. It's done to give you the information of what we are doing with our own money and what we think is the best strategy to reach those goals. So for those two people that contacted me and said, I am thinking of cancelling because we haven't done anything for the last month, it's because the right thing is to do nothing. So, I just want to be absolutely clear. If Sensei is not saying sell or not saying buy, it's not because we're not doing anything. It's because we don't think you should be selling or be buying. All right? And Ed Nevius is now partnered up with Sensei Crypto, and we know how successful Ed is on his trades as well. I'm supporting Sensei and working on classes, hanging there. He's working hard behind the scenes. Correct. So, very, very important. Of course, anyone is entitled to join and leave whenever they want. I just want you to do it with the right knowledge behind it. Don't think you are doing the right thing because and leaving because we are not giving you information to buy or sell. The information is there. Sometimes it's the right thing to do, not to sell. There are plenty of people that will tell you you should be buying this, selling this, join our training scheme, blah, blah, blah. We are here to help people, okay? Sometimes it's right to sit and wait. I've been sat now on half of my crypto investment, and look how good it's done me. Let me share with you. This is my crypto challenge. This is the $1,000 to $10,000 challenge. We only started this, 4 months ago, 3 months ago? I don't know how long ago it was. And I've only got $500 of the 1,000 in crypto. And I'm up $252. That is very, very good. Very, very good. Okay? So I'm earning, as you can see, I'm earning 4% on my USD. I've got $600 sat there. So we've only actually invested $400 and I'm up. What's that? I mean, that's like 50%. That's fantastic. So we're not buying at the moment or selling anything. However, my position is up significantly. So that's how we're doing it. All right. Anyway, let's have a look. Virgin Galactic. Space taking a dive. Right. The magic number, the support line, where we're looking at is 326. And correct, we are close to it. We are close to it. If it goes below 326, in my opinion, and breaks that support, I think then we are turning bearish. Doesn't mean to say in the future the stock's going to be up. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. However, we want to keep up above that if we want to maintain a bullish sentiment on this stock. And I've said it over and over again. It is weak. It is risky. However, I'm staying in. I've doubled my position. I've got more now than I had last week when it went down dramatically. Here, I bought it here at the bottom. I bought it. I lowered my averages. Okay. We took some profits from the build-up, nowhere near as much as we'd hoped. We were trying to make $10,000. We didn't get anywhere close to that. Made about $500, that's all. But we took $500 from it. So you think space price catalyst will be the flight data? Me too. People want to see stats, hard facts. Right now, the markets have changed. The markets are only respectful to the money for companies that actually make money. Speculation, gambling has no place in the markets right now. This is a bear market rally turning bullish this summer. However, still negative, still very vulnerable, under a lot of pressure from the Fed. This isn't the time when it was in COVID, where everything went up and you couldn't not make money. Remember what we've said: a monkey, an idiot can make money here. The hard part is to keep it. Well, that is no longer the case. Right now, the hard part is to make it, and to keep it is even harder. So the markets aren't rewarding speculative SPACs, companies that don't make any money. Interest rates are too high. The economy's too fractured. So we have to expect more from our investments now. No gambling here. Me too. People want hard facts. Now the space rather than the fancy shows. Hard facts now with space rather than the fancy shows, bells and whistles like 2021. Martyn 1988, absolutely 100% accurate there. Have you heard of Ken Baxter, Martin? Found this channel and website at the weekend. You should try to get in contact with him to maybe invite him on the show to talk about space. He's the first ticket holder. Craig, could you send me the information, the link to that in Discord, please? Just bought one more McDonald's and I'm up now. Fantastic. McDonald's, very nice. It gave you a little discount this morning. Went down 0.6%. You are up on it. Yes, indeed. I would possibly, if you bought that this morning, because that wasn't much of a discount, I would take that profit. If you're able to scalp that, if you bought there and you can sell there, it's only a small profit, but 0.5% on McDonald's, it's a McDonald's, right? It's a Happy Meal. Why not make yourself happy? Cash it in. That wasn't enough of a discount, but if you are adding to the position long term, then fair enough. Then just leave it. Risk-friendly investors also go elsewhere, so that can be a problem for that stock too. Tizro just bought one more J&J as well. J&J, yeah, I mean it's a good time to buy it. I'm extremely weighted in it though. So 21%, I don't owe it any more of my money. 5%, I mean, I've got a very, very big position in it. Some investing videos as well. Thank you, Craig, for that information. Okay. Let me just check a few things. Now then, we've got a very nice audience this morning. I want to ask you to help me to help you. This channel only grows by human engagement. I am all against AI. I do not make videos with AI. I do not tweet with AI. I type my own messages. I do my own comments. And because of that, small channels like me are getting left behind. I am not doing anything that trends. I am trying to engage in real people to grow a real YouTube channel that is all live and 10 hours a day. Very weak again with Virgin Galactic. So if you're watching me now on YouTube, please smash the like button. There's 72 of you watching. It makes a huge difference every day. Make it a thing that you smash the like button. Why? It tells YouTube to share it. We're trying to reach every country of the world. I've toured as the World Piano Man every country of the world. We go out in 14 languages and we want members from every country in the world. We want to be the first YouTube channel on YouTube to have a global audience from every channel in the world and a member from every channel. So please do. Look at that, look, guys. Let's see how active people are. Look, everyone's liking it now. 42. Thank you so much indeed, guys. Brilliant. Really, really helps. Right, now Virgin Galactic is getting weaker. If it does break through that 326. Someone said to me the other day, some people do not understand what investing is. Some people do not understand how the stock market works. And I get lots of comments from people saying you flip-flop. The market flip-flops. I, however, do not flip-flop. What I do, though, is I report the changing circumstances, the changing news. When I say we have a bull signal on Virgin Galactic, that doesn't mean you should all go in and buy it and do nothing else and put your house on the line, margin, mortgage your house to the hill and buy it. No, I've always said it's high risk. It belongs like a lottery ticket in your portfolio. However, we had a bullish signal last week. It can easily, though, turn bearish. My sentiment can change, not because I don't know what I'm talking about or I'm left and right, up and down, but the stocks move, the sentiment moves, the news moves. Just like, every day when they report the news changes every day. One day it's good, one day it's bad, one day it rains, one day it's sunshine. Doesn't mean you're flip-flopping. It means the information is ever evolving. And my job is to bring the news, live events as they happen, constantly updating that information. Okay, let's have a look here. Okay, it's confirmed. Saudi Arabia has signed a 10 billion. Right. JP Rothschild is one of my researchers that has been sending me information. And I have said to JP Rothschild, I will make a video on all the news he has sent me regarding this. However, I need the verification and the links of data that you are referring to. Just like any responsible media, any newspaper will not just report something because someone says it. You have to have the data from where you're finding this information. JP Rothschild, you are not a member of the channel. You could be making it all up. Become a member of my channel. I get people all the time give me information that cannot be checked, cannot be verified. Members only get their information shared in videos. There is the information. Also, share the links to the website where you're finding the information. Here is my Discord. Without this, I cannot and will not make a video on the information. I cannot stress this enough. Thank you, Craig, for sending the information into Discord. Thank you. Minute on the clock, please. 100 likes, and I'll add more to giveaways. Wow. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Minute on the clock. We're going to give away a cash prize if we get 100 likes. Minute on the clock, please. 100 likes, and I will add more to the giveaway. Fantastic. We are giving away $100 in cash. Sensei Crypto has just said if we get 100 likes, we're going to give away more money. Well, that's nice. Sensei, how nice is that? All right. He says put a minute on the clock. Sensei, there are only 54 watching. I don't know if it's really going to work. But you never know. Is that what you'd like me to do? Mustafa, learn and implement AI now and get ahead of everyone else. And I'm not doing it. Absolutely will not do that. I will not use AI. This is a live show. There are people now tweeting tweets that an AI bot. How is that getting ahead of? How is that getting ahead and left in the dust? How is that getting ahead? You'll basically become a custodian to your own social media. Bots will be writing your own comments. Nobody will know what you're saying. It'll be a completely point. I don't know why everyone's so promoting this rubbish. Who wants to follow a YouTube channel that was written by a bot? Who wants to read tweets that were created by bots because it's trending information? How crazy are you that you want this rubbish? I am going to make sure that this channel is always live. Okay? I'm going to make a video on this in a minute. Anybody else send me in your AI thoughts for a video? We're going to make a video in a minute about AI. So I'm going to collect the AI comments. If anybody wants to make an AI comment, and when I start making the video, if you do a crypto tip or a super chat during the making of the video, and I'm going to do it in a minute, and I know it's going to be a viral trending video, you can promote your crypto, your business, your interests, your thoughts in the video, because it will be edited down into a video, okay? If I've learned anything from space, it's no matter how bullish I am, it's never a bad idea to hedge with a put option or two. Agent, you always need to protect your money. Anyone can make money. The hard part is to keep it. Look on Google and ask this question. Did Mullen Automotive sign it? Right. What is the point of me Googling it? I can Google it myself, JP Rothschild. You said you have the information. Share me the link. If you refuse to send me the link, I can't share it. And I won't share it. So I'm not going to do my own research to something that you have already researched. What's the point? I already spend 10 hours a day researching my show. If you want content to the show, then you share with me the information that you have. Nice one, Ali, for the show. But a minute on the clock will get us closer. Okay. All right. We're going to do it then. We're going to do it. We're going to give away some extra cash live on the show if we get 100 likes. We are on 53. Okay? So, Sensei Crypto has just said to me, we are going to give away a cash prize live on the show if we get 100 likes. So are you ready? Okay, everybody get ready. 100 likes, a live cash prize. This is good. I like it. Here we go. 1 minute from now. 100 likes. We're at 54 likes right now. Let's see if we can get there. Virgin Galactic is getting very weak now. We're at 55 likes. If we get to 100 likes, we're going to give away a cash prize. Virgin Galactic 334. It's very, very weak now. Just 30 seconds to go. We're at 56 likes, 100 likes, and we're giving away another cash prize live on the show. 56. Rivian, Mullen, Tesla. 57. Going up. 15 seconds to go. I don't think we're going to do it though, Sensei. It's a nice suggestion. Sensei was going to give away a cash prize if we got to 100 likes. We're going to give away, but we didn't quite do it. We'll try again later then. Lucid going down, only worth $6 at very most. Amazon, Apple, bounced right back up again. McDonald's, here we go. That's why I said to you, Sid, why you should have sold that. That wasn't much of a discount today. A profit is a profit. A long-term hold is a long-term hold. Very, very different. Google, Microsoft, Walmart, Tesla. Let me go and see if anybody did the comment for the video. I gave you a chance. Oh, hang on a minute. Did we just... What happened then? March 29. Okay. That's interesting. I'll just check in some data. Anyway. Let me have a quick look. Let's see if anybody did it. Next era energy, Virgin Galactic. Bounce off that 330. See that support? It's bouncing off the 326. There we go. One of you did it. That's Dave Mottram. Dave Mottram got the 35, got the tickets. Look, he commented. He watched the whole video. There you go. So Dave Mottram, you're in the chance now to win $100. I'm going to reply to you with my the big giveaway comment. Congratulations, you've entered our $100 cash giveaway. There you go. There's the information. And make sure that you watched all the way through and liked it. Otherwise, your ticket will be validated, will be cancelled at the end of the day when it does its audits. Make sure that you did watch it all the way through. Otherwise, you'll lose those tickets. Very, very important. But thank you, Dave, for taking part in that. Virgin Galactic is now hovering around the 335. $334. So what should you do if it goes below this? You should already know what you're going to do. You should already have a position protected anyway, so it makes no difference to you whether it goes down or up or sideways for that matter. If it goes to zero for me, my portfolio would hardly recognize it, and there's no way it's going to go zero for at least a year. It can't run out of money or go bankrupt for 12 months, and of course it's not going to go down before the flight because my information I gave you is always it's a $3 price because that's the price of the cash on the books. And I said it can go down to 3, and it's touched 3 several times. And people said no, it can't. It can't possibly do that. Well, it can, and it could do it again. Andre Ozanek. Where are you from, Andre? What part of the world are you from? Let me know what part of the world you're from. Andre, where are you from? I'd love to know what part of the world you're from. We are a cert to drop to the $3 range again if we get bad day on the markets in the next few days. Well, of course, we've got the Fed, Jerome Powell, speaking soon, and I'm going to cover it, of course. We're going to cover the. We're going to cover that for you. Holding up Poland. Poland, lovely. Welcome to you. So I believe your native language is Polish. How wonderful. We have a guest from Poland today. Let me put my friend's name. Lovely. We got another. We haven't got any. We haven't got a member yet from Poland. Would you like to be our first member from Poland? I love Krakow. I've visited Krakow several times. It's lovely to have you here. Welcome to Union of Elements in Poland. How cool is this? Okay, this is to our Polish friend today, Andre. I hope this comes out correct for you.
Dzień dobry, dobry wieczór, Andrzej z Polski. Witam Ciebie i wszystkich Twoich znajomych w Polsce. Dzisiaj witamy w naszym programie. Wychodzimy w 14 różnych językach i cieszymy się, że tu jesteś.
Welcome to you this morning. Week or so, I bought 5,000 of space stocks, and now I'm about to buy more today, I think. Yes, be very wary, though, that it could go back down to 3. However, the upside is obviously far greater. That might not concern you. Thank you very much for joining us from Poland. If you'd like to access Discord, speak to all our traders and investors, get all our information before we make it, there's our Discord. If you want to call into the show, the Discord lounge is open. If you want to say hello to the world, ask a question live on the show, discuss any of my stocks, or anything at all for that matter, there's the invitation to join. Only members can call in. Here's for anyone in the US, if you want my free stocks. We're giving away free stocks every day. It's from Robinhood. You have to be in the US though right now. Here we go. Breaking information. Sensei Crypto. We were talking about this earlier. Next month will be a massive for Sensei Crypto app coming for members, but will take some time for the App Store to approve. Videos coming from me and Ed about education for trading and crypto. Wonderful stuff. Do you think it will be good to go to all new time? Do you think it could go to new all-time lows? Yes, it could if it breaks 326. However, it's holding above right now. Cheerio, says Andre from Poland. Wonderful to have you here. Rack Nancy, mercy Martin for opening my eyes to Virgin Galactic. I got out before the total robbery and crash. Absolutely, I understand fully. And you're very welcome. Rash, where are you from again? Please remind me. Virgin Galactic now can go down below 3. Be very, very careful. Rivian, Mullen, Tesla, Lucid, Apple. Now then, let's see who has voted on our poll. Will we see a bounce on Virgin Galactic? That's the poll I'm asking you. France, wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Let's welcome you in from France then. We had a guest from Poland a few moments ago. Lovely to have you here. Great, let's do it in French then. Welcome, Rack. And welcome to all our friends and guests from France today. Welcome to all of you. We are live up to 10 hours a day, and we aim to be the most honest, real, live YouTube channel in the world with no AI, nothing trending, all real. We only live and grow with our members sharing and liking the video. We aim to keep it all live. That's my promise to you, and welcome to our friends in France. Okay, let me just get that right. It's R-A-C-H. Here we go, in French this morning.
Bienvenue Rach et bienvenue à tous nos amis et invités de France. Aujourd'hui, bienvenue à vous tous. Nous sommes en direct jusqu'à 10 heures par jour et nous visons à être la vraie chaîne YouTube en direct la plus honnête au monde, sans rien de tendance, tout réel. Nous ne vivez et ne grandissez qu'avec nos membres en partageant et en aimant la vidéo. Nous visons à ce que tout reste en direct, c'est ma promesse, et bienvenue à nos amis en France.
Isla, looks like we are stabilizing on space, steady volume, no selling pressure, and is turning around once again. This is what I said. It can turn bullish if it holds above this level. And then what it needs to do is break $4. Okay, there's the poll, and I've got 44 votes, and I want everyone to retweet. Remember, guys, YouTubers, tweeters are all now going with AI. The posts you are seeing are generated with AI to trend. I will never do it because to me, we need to fight against it. We need to fight against this AI nonsense and not creating content with AI. This is really me writing this. And the only way I can grow, I want to fight against the machine. The only way I can rise and fight against the machine is all of you guys voting, tweeting, and sharing, telling your friends, putting on this on your social media. So not only are you helping me to keep everything live, you're helping yourself, because if we lose live content and it all goes to AI, we're just going to read what bots tell us, and people are going, but it's great. My Twitter account is growing. No, it's not. You're a custodian now for the bot who owns your channel. The bot writes your tweets. The bot creates your videos. You're just the guy who owns it. And after a while, the bot will own it as well, and you'll have nothing left. So I am trying to fight against that. Anyway, it's up to you. Those tools are also AI powered. What tools are those? When I speak in different languages, yes. But what I'm saying, yes, of course I use technology. The fact I'm online, I'm using AI. I understand. But what I'm doing is I'm not doing it to cheat. I'm not doing it to present content which is not my own. I am writing my own thoughts, making my own videos, going live. That's what I'm doing. The translation is impressive. Long live the AI. Yes, but you've got to have a balance to it though. I am using AI to translate the voices, correct. However, it's still me doing it. I could create a video where I am not even here and the bot speaks on my behalf. Nobody wants that, do they? Nobody wants a bot speaking to them on their... I'm not even here. That would be ridiculous. Anyway. Sensei says... hang on. Let me save this as a favorite. Artificial intelligence can analyze large volumes of data and provide meaningful insights such as audience preferences and trends, allowing YouTubers to create content that resonates with their viewers more effectively. Additionally, the AI-powered tools can automate time-consuming tasks like editing, thumbnail creation, and closed captioning, freeing up creators to focus on producing high-quality content. If used in the right way, yes. But that's not what's happening now. Sounds like a new Terminator movie. Martyn Lucas, Rise Against the Machine. Yeah, it does, doesn't it? It does, doesn't it? It absolutely does. Anyway, Virgin Galactic is back down again. But many of you, see, the thing is, guys, I live and breathe social media. This is my job. Many of you are missing the point, sadly, missing the point. What is happening is people are creating content with AI and they're not even doing it. I've got so many people that I observe, should I say, I don't follow, but I observe, that are creating content with AI. They're not even there. It's writing stuff that's trending just because it's trending, and it's not even them. So basically, the content you are watching is not even theirs. They're just a custodian. It's just there in their name. Everything up minus space, damn it. Yes. S&P, space, it's holding though. As long as we can hold, I said above 326 for a week, then it's a bullish sign. Anyway, let's go back to some more news. I've just got a message sent to me. Can I put a warning out? A very important warning. As we grow, we get more and more messages like this. This is one of our friends today who's watching our show, Christine Cruz. She says, is this your Facebook account? Of course, I'm single. No, I'm married. This is not me. I'm followed by like 15,000 people, not 25. No, it's not me. People are copying pictures of me and creating rubbish. This is not me. And I replied back to say, no, it's not me. You're very, very welcome. I'm sorry that you've got that. I can delete that conversation now. There you go. Please be very, very careful. Any comments I've missed? Played, followed me. Thank you, Played. I will respond to everyone's comments. All well. That's a terrible thing there. What's going on there? Thank you for all the follows. Thank you for the follows on my account. Let me have a look. 730. We're trying to get to 1,000 by our birthday, which would be great. Thank you for that. Let's have a look. Palantir goes to 15. Thank you very much, Ed from Holland and the Netherlands. Rack, you're right, but that's no reason not to go for AI actions like I'm not sure what that is, which in my opinion is only at the beginning of a new tune. AI is like the invention to the internet. Rack, I'm not sure what you mean by that. Nvidia will be the future. I wish I had the money to buy shares. Raphael, in crap form as usual. MSK indeed. Raphael, I only had $5,000 when I started here, and you don't need money to start. You can buy a single share for $1 and double it to make $2, and you are off. I have no money to add to this. I only earn money from trading. I only earn $7 a day from YouTube. So I have grown my portfolio live on the air for you to see here. This is it. This is my real money. Look, started with $5,000 and now we're at a total of 54.7 live on the show. And my only income, only job I've got is being online with you. I earn about $7 a day. Remember, these streams only earn money from the members and the 1 cent per person from the ads. I earn about $7 a day. So anyone can make money. It's what you do with the money is important. Tilray, let's have a quick look at it for MSK. Yes, 182. It's a disaster. Tilray is an absolute disaster. C3 is one of the main trending AI stocks. TO, I must admit, I know nothing about that. Maybe I should know more about it, but right now I don't. Look at C3 AI, please. Okay. Is the stock just C3? Is that what the stock is? Just C3? Let's have a look. I can't imagine a ticker. The AI. There we go. C3 AI at 14%. Okay. How long has this been around for? 2009. Let's have a quick look. We won't do a full review. We'll do a quick look at it. C3 engages in the provision of enterprise artificial intelligence of digital transformation. It delivers the C3 AI suite for developing, deploying, operating large-scale AI predictive and analytics, an Internet of Things application in addition to a portfolio of turnkey AI applications. Show more. The company was founded by Thomas Siebel, Patricia A. House, and Stephen Ward Jr. on January 8, 2009. Is headquartered in California. There we go. 704 employees. It's currently losing money. Pays no dividends. A growth stock. 4.22 billion. AI stock breaks out ahead of earnings. Is AI stock a buy now? Let's have a look. 50% say a hold. The earnings, May 31st, tomorrow. The earnings is tomorrow. This could be an interesting stock, couldn't it? This could be interesting. Yeah, it's thank you for the content. Thanks for the streams. You are very welcome, Raphael. I have a 20,000. There you go. You got plenty of money. You got plenty of money. You're starting with 27 grand. So of course you've got money. 217 shares of Space, 63 Palantir shares. I just run out. Let me just read that again. Of money. I just ran out of money. No, you haven't run out of money because you have $27,000. You have plenty of money. So you can make money. No problem at all. Sorry, you were right, Tio. AI, not IA. Correct. You're very welcome. I also mentioned IDAI. They have a MasterCard as customers and some TRO. I'm not sure what that last bit is. How can I start from the Philippines, assuming I have $500? Top 10 things from the Philippines. Well, you can trade with just $1. You don't have to have a lot of money. Would love to see the earnings. Who wants me to cover the earnings for C3 AI? When is the earnings? Tomorrow. After hours tomorrow. Who wants me to cover the AI earnings tomorrow? Start a poll. Okay. Should I cover? Should I cover? Who would be interested in this? Should I cover? Hang on. C3. So it's AI earnings. It is literally AI. Bloody hell, they've got the actual ticker for AI. That's pretty impressive. I'm going to buy 1 share of it. I'm going to buy 1 share of it to cover it. Let me just go over to here as I do my security checks. I'm going to buy 1 share of AI. I'm going to buy 1 share of it as a marker share to get it on the board. Here we go. I'm just doing my security checks on this. Okay. Okay, I'm just doing my security checks, folks. If they wonder what I'm doing, I have to sometimes refresh these things. There you go. I've just bought 1 just to mark it. Okay, I've just bought 1. Let me get out of that a minute. Close that down. Okay, so AI. Let's have a look. Should I cover AI earnings? Okay, yes or no? There we go. Let's see if anybody wants me to cover that. George says, yes, I'm running a poll right now. NVIDIA have a huge month. 80% of the chips are produced by NVIDIA. NVIDIA have a huge month. 88% of the chips are produced by NVIDIA. I'm always all in on Tesla, but NVIDIA is looking at me. Is it looking at you, or are you looking at it? Anyway, there we go. We just created a poll. I want to know if anybody wants me to cover AI. What a ticker that is. They're very lucky to get that, I'd imagine. Imagine that. It's like being the first .com, isn't it? Very impressive. Anyway, we shall see how it all pans out. The S&P. AI. AI? What's going on here then? Virgin Galactic 333. Very dangerous territory now. Virgin Orbit. Rivian. Mullen. Tesla. Lucid. Apple. How much money have I got in Tesla now? $454 in profit. Okay. Apple, Amazon, McDonald's, Coca-Cola. Safe Money now is being sold. Tesco, Enphase, Bitcoin, 27, Tilray, still falling. No reason to buy it. And it's not going to get any safe banking passes until we've got the debt crisis out of the way. So really, what you could regard as Tilray could be a sleeping giant right now. It could be. It could be. Extremely high risk, but it could be. Anyway, who is interested in that stock? How many votes have we got? We've had 12 votes so far. Let's have a look. We'll need to watch Virgin Galactic if it needs to hold above this position. If it breaks, then all hell breaks loose. Okay. I want to see... we've had 387 people through our show today. That's pretty good. Thank you very much indeed for all of you that have done that. Let's go over to Bloomberg right now. And see what news we have there. Goldman's Dina Powell McCormick exits on merchant bankroll. Turkey's losses pull emerging market bond indices down in May. Okay. And from Sky News, we've got nothing new to report there just yet. Can you believe what's been happening with this Philip Schofield situation? Suddenly everyone's turning on everybody. I didn't really understand it. I got to be honest. I don't know what it's got to do with anyone. Anyway, a bit of a drama there unfolding at the moment with ITV and Philip Schofield. Anyway, pretty crazy stuff. See you later, guys. I'm going to work. Raphael, thank you very much indeed. In the gold rush, the people that made money sold the pickaxes. I'm always all on Tesla, but NVIDIA is looking at me. Okay, you're absolutely right. The money is to be made from the ones who sold the pickaxes. Very, very good way of putting it. You're absolutely right. Absolutely right. Very, very, very good point. Subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you ever so much, Raphael. Look forward to seeing you back later. I did ask you, didn't I, what country you were from? You did tell me, I think. Did I find out what country you were from? Raphael, I can't remember if I did now. Was it Poland? Was it Poland? Sorry, I can't remember now. I'm terrible. No, that was Andre. I can't remember now. Anyway, I'm sorry if I can't remember. Please remind me. Anyway, Virgin Galactic. We need to hold this position. Otherwise, it's no good for Virgin Galactic at all. Anyway. Our crypto bubbles this morning. This is what's going up or what's going down. Engage the like button. Make it so. I love it. PLSX is down 22%. And the biggest upswing today is XRP's close at 3.9. XRP, look, top left-hand corner. This is one of our Sensei Crypto, our crypto team's favorites. This is it now. It's 25 billion market cap. And it's ranking number 6 now. This is an important asset to own, we believe, once the court case is done. There are some saying, oh, Portugal. Oh, Portugal. I've been to the Algarve and Lisbon. I go out actually in Portuguese. If you look on the video, its title and description is in Portuguese. Let me see if I can say hello to Raphael. All right, here we go. It's Portuguese. I'm sure I can do it. Here we go. In Portuguese. PQRST. Here we go. I think I can. Right. Welcome, Raphael from Portugal. A wonderful country. I have visited the Algarve and performed in Lisbon. Wonderful place. thank you to all of you in Portugal for joining us today.
Bem-vindo, Rafael de Portugal, país maravilhoso. Visitei o Algarve e atuei em Lisboa, lugar maravilhoso. Obrigado a todos vocês em Portugal por se juntarem a nós hoje.
Wonderful. Thank you very much indeed for being here. Virgin Galactic is still falling down. Oh, it's getting very, very tight right now. If we get 100, are we still doing that? 100 likes, we're going to give away another cash prize. Are we going to do that still? Sensei, I think we've done that, haven't we? It never got there. Anyway, we are giving away $100. Let me give everyone the information. Here is the free cash giveaway. We give away money all the time for free. Here it is. Here's our link right there in the chat. It's martynlucas.com/giveaway. We're doing that for you all the time. We love doing it. If you've not taken part in our giveaway, make sure that you do. It's free. All right, there it is. Thank you, he says, Raphael. I hope I got it right for you. I'll give it to you again in the chat. I'll give it to everybody. I know we've got a big audience today on Facebook and Rumble as well, so I'll give it to you. It's free to enter, free for all. We like giving money away all the time. There it is. I'll go over to Facebook and do it for you guys as well. This is Facebook, look. Thank you. There is, I say we got a big audience. We don't. We're only on one on Facebook, but never mind. I've posted it there for my guests on Facebook as well. Okay. See you later. See you later, Raphael. Thank you very much for tuning in. While you're gone, go and check out my music channel. I've got songs here that I recorded. You see Sir Paul McCartney on the screen with me. I've got all kinds of things here. When I performed as the Phantom of the Opera, my Las Vegas Showgirls. If you like Vegas Showgirls, you might enjoy this one here. Look, there's all my dancers, look, in my theatre show. If you want to go and check it out. I can't play the audio for you here on the screen, of course, because I'll get done for my own copyright. But there I am in the middle of the screen doing Copacabana with my Vegas Showgirls. These are my viral videos on my music channel. Go and check them out. All right, come back to the main show. The S&P. AI. I'm actually up on it. So what we'll do is we'll scalp trade this. If we can make ourselves a bit of money, we'll sell this one and we'll see how it pans out. We'll see if we can make some money today. Do our first day trade. If we only make $1, it's $1. Right now, we've not done any research on it. Let's have a look. Who wants me to cover this? So about 14 of you, 15 of you want me to cover it. So it is tomorrow after hours, I believe. AI. Let me refresh that page. It's not moving. There we go. AI. It is after hours tomorrow. So after hours tomorrow. Okay, we will cover it then. When space next flight in June? We've not got the date yet. In June, we've got the Italian Air Force. So on that basis, then we are going to cover AI tomorrow night. Let me end the poll. Well, in fact, I'm going to leave it to remind you. AI earnings. Okay, that's a note for me to do. So I'm going to go to Twitter now. And while we're watching Virgin Galactic, it's got to hold above 326. Otherwise, all hell breaks loose. We are, let me just go to here as we watch AI. So, hashtag AI. AI, what's going on here then? We are covering AI earnings. live on the show. Okay. Let's go back to it a second. Virgin Galactic, we're holding it at the moment. AI, so C3.ai, we are covering, there we go. C3 dot, oh, bloody hell. C3.ai. That's pretty fancy. Not sure how that happened. Will the stock pop on earnings? Join us live. Okay, we're watching it, and this is the post I'm posting right now. Will it pop on earnings? What do you think? Well, we're looking at that. I am going to create the post, and hopefully you can all vote on it. What do you think? Is it going to move? We need to do some more research on it, though, I think. We've just learned about it. Okay, here's the Twitter post. Join us live. Okay. Let me put that in again. C3.ai. Why do I keep doing that? All right. Will the stock pop on earnings? I'd like your thoughts on this one. Yes or no? There you go. It's already going up now, but what do we think? It's tomorrow night's earnings, so there we go. There you go. AI. It's a new one for us. We'll have a look at it. Let's give everyone the opportunity to vote on that. It's already going up now. There is the poll in the chat on YouTube. Let me give it to my guests on Facebook. That's the poll for AI, and I'll give it to you on Rumble as well. There we go. Give it to all of you, and let's see what sort of thoughts we get on this one. We've already got a comment on it. Let's have a look. Thanks for your helpful tutorial. I've managed to earn Ethereum. That looks like spam. That just came straight away. Yeah. That looks spam. Yeah. That's spam straight away. There we go. And I will remove that one. Yeah, we don't want scammers coming in, ruining things. There we go. That's the trouble with the AI. As soon as you do something like that, of course, everybody's jumping all over it. Anyway. Let me bring the stocks back up again. AI is going up at the moment, though. Covering AI earnings, but doesn't acknowledge its importance. Hypocrite. What a silly comment that is. What a silly comment that is. This is my show. Just because I don't like some elements of AI is ridiculous to say that I'm a hypocrite because I'm covering the earnings, but I don't like some of the implications of AI. That is a ridiculous statement. So Mustafa Al-Karim bin Halsa, your comment is biased and silly. I am here to cover the news, to give everyone the opportunity to discuss, share, learn. We're not here just to manipulate and make up stories for our own ends. So I would suggest actually you are not even a real person. You are a bot yourself trying to promote your own ends as I am trying to help people and keep everything alive for real human beings. So I'm going to highlight your comment again. It's going across 20 platforms. And I think that highlights what you just said there is actually a silly comment. And I doubt if that's even your real picture. In fact, the chances of that being your real picture are extremely unlikely because I observe this every day. And I'm telling you now, we get lots of people who put images of sheiks and all kinds of things, trying to pretend they are rich and more important than they actually are. And the reality is you probably are either a bot or actually a 10-year-old in your mum's back bedroom. But that's a very silly comment to make when all I'm trying to do is bring in and open up the debate for everyone as opposed to just your opinion being weighted in your, So anyway, it looks like you are making now offensive comments, which is just proves my point, and it's being deleted by our members. There we go. Thank you, Mike. Let him do his thing. We let these people speak. We invite the world to speak, and very often they bury themselves by saying such silly comments. I am receiving messages from it. Yeah. Martin, is the Facebook account under your personal name truly your account? I am receiving messages from it. I don't message anybody. Which Facebook account is that? I don't message anybody. It's the point. This is why I'm trying to fight back today with AI. You're getting people like this. He's probably not a real sheik anyway. He's probably just, as I say, a 10-year-old kid in his bedroom. He's probably on Reddit. But anyway. Yes, I'm giving it a look. Absolutely, I'm giving it a look. And I'm going to give it my time. My time is very valuable to present the live earnings for you and all of us to learn together. However, you're more interested in making silly comments like that. I am receiving messages. Let me share with you my real Facebook account then, because obviously we're getting people who are confused here. All the links for all my social media are below my videos. Here is my investor channel. This is me. This is the real me. There it is, looking at the screen right now. There is my investor channel. And as you can see, I have 768 followers on this channel. If you want my personal, but you can't really friend me because I've maxed out at 5,000. You should just follow my professional account. There is the real. Oopsie daisy. Hang on. There is the real me on Facebook. This is the real me, as opposed to the ones that are pretending to be me. And as you can see, I've got 5,000 followers there. Yeah, follow me here. You can't friend me anymore because I've 5,000 friends and I'm maxed out. But that's the real me. Okay, and all the links are below. They're all on my links page. If you go to my links page, this is why I do it. Okay, here's my main YouTube channel, my website. There are all my links. Look, for all my social media. If you want to know anything, please just go to my all links page. There's my Twitter. There's my StockWits. There's my Facebook. There's the real me. There's all my free giveaways. There's all the cash giveaways I give you, the free money. It's all there on my website. Anyway, please don't ever reply to any comment. I don't message anyone. I only do it live on the show. Thank you, Mike. Anyway, as our sheik from Saudi Arabia disappeared now. He's probably living in his mom's back bedroom. Virgin Galactic, 332, just a few cents to go. before total collapse below $3. If it does go lower, that's where it's going. Be warned. Be warned. Prove your sentiment and not a bot. Prove your... That makes no sense. So that again proves you, like I say, you're probably 10 years old. Prove your sentiment and not a bot. That sentence makes no sense whatsoever. I answer everyone's questions. You have no right to claim my to claim my time. I give it to you. It's my gift that I answer everyone's questions. You are not a member. You are not committed to our family at all. I'm talking to you and giving you my free time. And you're calling me a hypocrite, which is ridiculous. Ridiculous. Anyway, don't make friends by being a clown. Anyway, you've got an opportunity here. We're going to grow the best, most honest YouTube channel in the world. You've got an opportunity to be a force for good and use it to help, learn, promote yourself. I'm here to help everyone. Everyone grows as I grow together, or you become a clown of the channel and get ignored by everybody, and then you miss out on the best, which we believe will be the most honest YouTube channel on YouTube. Following both of your real accounts now. Thank you, Isla. Thank you so much indeed, mate. And the one that messaged you, would you please report it and say it's pretending to be Martyn Lucas? Please do that. I will never message anyone, so you know it's the real me, okay? How do you prove a sentiment? I know. I get exactly. This person here is either, like I say, this is exactly what I'm trying to make the point, is either a bot, a scammer, or some clown sat in their mum's back bedroom. This is not a sheikh, a rich man from Saudi Arabia who's investing millions of dollars and wants to look, it's rubbish. And this is what we get all the time. So just be warned of clowns, because the clowns and the bots I've noticed are always aggressive. Always. Never helpful, never contributes anything, wastes everybody's time. And that's the whole point that I'm trying to get with this. You waste your time streaming for 2 years without anything on YouTube. Really? You waste your own time streaming for 2 years without earning anything from YouTube. It's called investing in myself. I am not going to give up because I don't make money in 5 minutes. People like you are trying to make money in 5 minutes lazily. I believe in investing in myself, and we have the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube when it comes to live viewers who are members. So I think that I've done very, very well, actually. And in fact, not only have I grown a channel, I've grown 2 channels at the same time, 33,000 on TikTok, 500,000 on my website. People watch me on average 4.5 hours a day, which is more than any other channel. So I think we're doing very well. Thank you very much. And I've gone from $5,000 to $54,500 live on the show without earning any money other than here. So I think I've done all right. Anyway, I'm going to give you your view until you end up getting yourself banned. So apparently I've wasted my time. People today don't want to invest in themselves unless they get instant gratification and free money. Well, I believe in building from the ground up. And that's why I've got a successful YouTube channel, and you are with thousands of friends, and you're making enemies everywhere. But carry on. Verify that you're the real Martyn Lucas. I have researched you, and that isn't your real name. It is my real name. My real name was given to me by Kenny Baker, who is R2D2, the man inside the robot. Who said I'm from Saudi Arabia? I'm just having a joke with you because you're being offensive and rude. Anyway, Prove you're the real Martyn Lucas. I'm live 10 hours a day. I'm Martyn Lucas on every single platform. And I have to prove to you that I'm the real person. All right. Wasted enough time on you now. To make a little bit more engaging, please put some background. To make it a little bit more engaging, please put some background music on. Can a human being be an LLC? Of course he can. That just shows how daft you are. I am Martyn Lucas LLC. I'm a corporation. Can a human be an LLC? Of course he can. Every human being ever on planet Earth is an LLC. What a clown. I am a limited company, yes. And I'm a limited company to protect me from clowns like you. Martyn, we could only be 8 weeks away from space flying, the next celebrity aboard Unity. Will it realistically get above $10 when this happens, or is it a pump and dump stock without any conviction? Pete Barker, I think it's extremely risky. Extremely. Are you not from Saudi? This is either a bot or a 10-year-old kid. Everybody knows it. Oh my God. Can a human being be an LLC? Unbelievable. You're doing a good job of making yourself enemies amongst tens of thousands. Remember, you're not just in the chat of 60 people. You're being seen across multiple websites. You're being seen across 500,000 on my website. You're being seen by 33,000 people on TikTok. But maybe that's the thing. Maybe you want everyone to realize what a clown you are. Silly, innit? Anyway, someone told me it's part of success. As you grow, you get more clowns come onto the show. Coca-Cola. Now, Coca-Cola is now a buy for me. Coca-Cola is now a buy. If we stand back, though, look at it over the year, it's hitting its low channel again. This is a solid company. Yeah. Why is your name so long? Yeah. Oh, man. All right. Okay. We gave this person the credibility of being a decent human being. They've abused it. So let's just ignore. Let's just. I got better things to do with my time now. We tried to give this person a chance. They've ruined it. They're done. Finished. Not interested. Coca-Cola is now a buy. Is now a buy over the last 5 years. Yep. Coca-Cola is definitely a buy for me now. All right. So he's being rude now. So there we go. I am hide the user on this channel. There you go. I've put him in a timeout now. I've timed him out because he's being rude to my friends. So he's made himself an idiot now. Told you. He was portraying himself as some big investor. And as I say, he's a 10-year-old kid in his bedroom, in his mum's bedroom. But he's timed out now, so he's wasted his own time. So I think Virgin Galactic is desperately trying to hold that 326, and it's doing so. And all it needs to do is hold above 326, and I see it as a bullish sentiment, okay? But I do feel, there we go, it's bouncing off it again. This is all good. Coca-Cola is being used as a source of funds. I think Coca-Cola is a good buy. I've got 9% in my portfolio. I've got enough of it. I've got 5% in my main account, and I've got Mike. Nobody ban him. Just let me time him out for a minute. I want to see if he comes back a reformed character. I doubt it, but if he comes back rude, then we'll just block him permanently. Yes, it's a buy soon. It's dropping still. I think so. I think so, absolutely. If you can get Coca-Cola at a discount like this, then it's like McDonald's, 7% in a month. This is good. This is good. Solid company. Who thinks Coke's a buy? All right. We're going to cover AI. We've got a good. Let me end the poll. We've got a good audience for that now. So, look at this here. This is the poll we are doing right now. Copy link to the poll. Will the stock pop on earnings? Here we go. There is the Twitter poll. And here is... I tell you what, I really hope that person was some clown from his mum's back bedroom. I hope so. Because if it is AI, and if it's bots getting aggressive, then we really are in trouble. Elon Musk says we're in trouble with AI already. If that is a bot, if that is AI getting aggressive, using a word like hypocrite, getting actually challenging and aggressive, then that actually is a concern. I really hope Mr. Big investor from Arabia, whoever he is. I hope he is. I really hope he is an idiot from his back bedroom. If it's a bot, that's quite scary, isn't it? Anyway, up 4%. Nice, Martin. What's up 4%? Oh, yeah, I know. It's crazy, isn't it? It's crazy. I just bought a market share. That's a bit ridiculous, isn't it, really? The earnings is tomorrow. A profit's a profit at the end of the day, isn't it? I should have bought two and then sold a whole share, really. That would have been the safest way to play that. Anyway, I'm not going... I mean, a profit's a profit, guys. And it's a straight line as well. So what we'll do, we've got to sell it. Obviously, we've got to take a profit on it. It's ridiculous. You made 4% in 5 minutes for doing nothing. I mean, it's ridiculous, right? We've got to sell one. So let's sell. We'll do a stop, trading stop order, and let's have a look at it. So between here, where it is now, it's 39.42. 39.42. So 39.45, 38. That's a $1 swing. A $1 swing. And it's pretty much on a trend line. It's pretty much straight up. What do you think, Ali? What is your charts telling you? If it drops $1, then it would break this trend line, which is going through the center here. So setting a $1 stop loss guarantees me a profit, I think. I've made $1 on it. I think a lot of people are trending this now. I wouldn't be surprised if it's all over Reddit as some sort of meme stock right now. I don't know enough about it. If I was going to sell it, I think you should put a $1 on it. I would say a $1 trail. Obviously, I've only got one. Market sell 100. Yeah, but I've only made 82 cents. I've only made 82 cents now. Just do a sell and make a couple of bucks. Yeah, otherwise you don't have any profit. No, I've got to wait for it to go up $1 first anyway. Anyway, we're too late for it now. We'll come back to it in a minute and see if it can go up again. Yeah, there's no point selling it for a loss. That would be pointless, and I'm not going to... I'm just going to wait. If we can get back up $1.50, $2 again, I'll set a $1 stop loss. I think it's... At the moment, it's trending upwards. No question about it. but it's a $1 swing is about right. Below $1, you're breaking the support line. So once it can go above $1 again, I'll set a $1 stop loss and we'll let it run and we'll see what happens on it. Who knows? Who knows where it's going today? The earnings is tomorrow after hours. So we've got all day today to see where it goes. So we'll wait for it to go above there. If it goes down, it goes down. It doesn't matter. It was just a bit of fun. Anyway, we'll come back to it in a minute. Virgin Galactic has just got 5 cents to go. Otherwise, we've broken my support where I thought it could bounce from. It's trying to hold above there. It's tried now for a few days. But if it breaks this, then it's going below 3. And then we have to reassess it then anyway. Okay. Isn't it terrible? I don't know if you saw this. Whenever I say a stock can go down, subscribers go down. We've lost 5 subscribers today, which is a lot for me. I normally go up 30, 40, 50 a day. I've gone down about 5 today. And the reason for that is I've said to people the stock can go down. And people don't want that. They only want to subscribe. It's so silly. And these people always lose money because they're always looking for the YouTube channels which tell them they're going to make money. So as soon as I say a stock's going to go down and it could break, they unsubscribe. I see it every day. I don't need AI to tell me that. I can see it for myself that people don't like negative statements. If you say a channel, if something's going down, I don't want to follow this guy. I want to follow the guy who tells me I'm going to get rich. It's really unbelievable, and those people will consistently lose money. However, I consistently make money, and my portfolio is consistently up because I tell you it as it is. But some people don't want that. They want to follow the channels that tell them something that don't make any sense. Anyway, that's up to them. Right, going back up again, Sensei. There's that $1 trend line, support line. There we go. So here we're going to do it now, right? We're going to set a stop trail loss so we guarantee to make some money. We're just going to wait for it to go over like $1.05, $1.10. And we're going to see if we can... we just bought 1 share of AI this morning. I think I'll wait before getting back into Virgin Galactic. I would. I'm not buying any more this morning. Here we go, 102. 102. I'm setting a $1 stop loss on it because it looks like it's trending. It has a $1 swing. That's plenty. So we can go up dramatically from here. The earnings is tomorrow. We want to be out before the earnings. The company currently don't make any money. Are they suddenly going to make money and surprise everybody? Who knows? Who knows? I don't know. If we can get above $1, I will set a stop trail loss and it will sell at a wash or a profit. Guaranteed 100%. Right, here we go. So review order, $1. There we go. Review the order. There you go. So I'm guaranteed to make money now. I've set a stop trail loss of 1. We're just doing it for fun. We bought 1 share. That is all. It's a trail loss of 1, 37.97. So I'm guaranteed to make money. It's got a good support. It is trending upwards. Maybe it's worth buying, folks. Maybe it's worth buying. Set a stop trail loss on it. It's definitely trending upwards. You can guarantee your money. Remember, a stop trail loss doesn't guarantee. You can buy insurance for that. There are platforms that give you insurance for that. But there you go. As soon as it drops $1, I will, which is the swings we've got in here, maximum swings, I will be out. Now I'm up I'm up 21 cents now. So it's got 80 cents to drop and I'll be up. So anyway, we shall see. We're guaranteed to make some money. It's tax-free. It's a bit of fun. And we're making money regardless, all right? Maybe it'll run to $50 today. Who knows? I'll make $20. Who knows? Anyway, the company's currently losing money. It's not Nvidia, of course. It's not a profitable company with cash on the books that I know of. We only started looking at it this morning, but we want to make sure that we don't just throw money away. Senior Polito Holt, good morning to you, sir. How are you today? Lovely to have you here. We had guests today in from Spain, Poland, the Netherlands, obviously England, France, United States. What else did we have today? Korea? No, Taiwan. Taiwan today. It's been a very global audience today. Very nice indeed. Anyway, Virgin Galactic, is it still holding? 331. It's getting weaker and weaker by the minute. 326 is my point when it turns bearish. Virgin Orbit, Rivian. Mullen. We brought you some information this morning about Mullen. It's unverified though. JP Rothschild sent me information but won't verify it. Again, people trying to give me information. In fact, without verification, I won't report on it. I can't and I won't. This channel is here to help people, not just to manipulate stock in one direction or the other. If you've got information, share it. I'll happily share it with anyone. Coca-Cola. Going down. J&J going down. Google, Microsoft, Walmart, Tesco, Next Era Energy. AI is definitely trending upwards. So where will it sell now? Let me. It was at 37.97. Let me refresh it now. It's probably gone up a little bit. 37.97. It will now sell at 38.18. So there you go. I'm making money. Look, I'm going to make some money regardless now, one way or another. I mean, with a $1 stop trail loss. Very good. I think we're going to wrap up today's show. I've got to go off and make some very important videos. So let me give everyone the information that we've got this morning. We are doing a poll on AI. We're going to cover it tomorrow after hours. Here is the poll. If you want to take part in this poll, will AI pop on earnings, or is it just a bit? Is it going to pop today and be done with it? There you go. There's the poll. If you want to take part in AI, there's the poll right there. Are you into AI? We are also giving you the chance to win $100 today. It's free to enter, free for all. It's not for bots and scammers and clowns like we had before earlier. There is the giveaway. We're also going to give you Sensei Crypto's here today, his website. He's also giving you tickets to chance to win tickets as well. Let me open up Sensei's website, and I think there are tickets there as well. It's the same competition, folks. I just don't want anyone to think it's a different competition. It's not. All right, this is Sensei Crypto's website. The free giveaway, this is it. I would imagine it's the same one. Yes, it is exactly the same, of course. It's the same giveaway, but you can enter through there as well. That's our sponsor. So check that out. Very nice indeed. All of you, did you sign up for the newsletter? There are extra tickets in the newsletter. If you've not yet seen the newsletter, either you've not subscribed to it, there's the link in the chat, or it's in your junk folder. Okay, here we go. It will sell at 38.18. $1 swing. It's now giving up the ghost. I will make myself 20 cents profit. It's not very much. I am setting a $1 stop loss. Here we go. 38.18. Sold. It's trending down. There you go. I sold it. It made 18 cents profit. That was a $1 stop loss. A profit is a profit, nevertheless. So there you go. I bought it for $37.86 and I sold it for $38.15. There you go. I made a profit. What was that? 29 cents. I made 29 cents profit, tax-free, fair enough. And it's still on its trend line, though. It maybe wasn't quite enough. But I'm out of the stock right now. I'm not going to buy it on the way up again. Otherwise, what is the point? I want to see it break this line to buy it back in again. Otherwise, what is the point of having any structure like that? There's none. Obviously, $1 was just below. If I'd set it a little bit more, it would have stayed in, but that's the point of the stop loss, right? Anyway, profit is a profit, no matter what. It can buy me a cube of sugar to go in my coffee. Can't buy me a coffee, but it'll buy me a cube of sugar to go in my coffee. Anyway, I'm out of the stock right now. The S&P is going down. The whole market's trending down now. We just took 20 cents, I think 29 cents profit out of AI, whatever. Virgin Galactic, only just holding. Only just holding, not good sign at all. But the fact it's holding is still positive, right? Let me end the show. I think I've given everybody the opportunity to claim their free tickets, their money, anything else that you want. Okay. Let me get off now then. Let's do day trader of the day and see who's up the most. Yes, it's starting to where did I sell it? I sold it at 38.15. Yeah, see, it's gone lower. It has gone lower. So it's now it's breaking that trend line now. 30. Yeah, see, that was the right thing to do. I would have now lost money at this point. Rather than making 29 cents, I would have now lost money if I'd stayed in on the game. Now, we bought it originally for $37.86. So if we can buy it below $37.86, we could do it again. There we go. See if we can do it again. This time, I can buy a bit more because I've made some profit, right? If we can get it to 37, we can get it below that position and try it again. Why not? We'll keep our eye on it and see what it does. But for now, I think we will do day trader of the day. Let me go to the breakfast bar and share everyone's pictures before we do. We like to always do this. We did a lot of tribute to armed services around the world yesterday. On Memorial Day, I covered it. If you didn't get to see my Memorial Day videos, they were on my Twitter account. If you didn't see it, I posted Amazing Grace Memorial Day. I hope you've all shared these and taken part. Have a little listen to Amazing Grace. I also did the United States National Anthem while I was in a theater. Go and check that out. Morning Has Broken. Here's this one. Did you get to see this? Anyone see this?
See by the dawn's early light, what so proudly we had.
There you go. I did that. If you've not yet checked that out, go and check out the YouTube video, and you can get to see it right there. All right, there's quite a few you might be interested in. Born in the USA as well. Did you see that one? Bit of Bruce Springsteen. We did Memorial Day. And lastly, American Pie. If you want to go and check these out, then all you've got to do is click the YouTube link and you can have a little listen to my American... and it's not just America, by the way. It's UK and everywhere where servicemen have lost their lives in defense of their country. So we're honoring all those who have fallen, not just Americans, everybody everyone who dies. Okay, so go and have a little look. But right now it is day trader of the day. So we're going to go to our live positions, and we're going to see. I am literally up by the smallest amount. Are we about to turn red right as we leave? I am up 0.02%, right on the button. All right, let's put a minute on the clock and give you the chance to take part. Day trader of the day. Let's see who wins today. When the first person posts, we'll put a minute on the clock. Make sure that you are live. You click the live button. Make sure you are up to date on the video. Very, very important to do that. If you are not up to date, it's because you are behind the screen. Okay. Studio's got to go red, folks. Sorry. Yeah, we are red again. So, I was up 0.02. I'm pretty much flat right now. Sid is up 0.2. Down, sad day. Zach is down. Vu. AI. It's trimming off now, look. I bought it originally at 37.86. Trimming off a little bit. Virgin Galactic, 330. Went to 330, down $2. Any more scores? Up 0.26. Eric goes into the lead. Eric goes into the lead, I think. Eric could be our winner. George Otter T is down $2. Rivian. Mullen. Tesla. Lucid. Apple. Amazon. McDonald's. Coke. Was that its low? Down 1%. It's a good discount for Coke, I tell you that. It's a good discount. Doesn't come much cheaper than that. Coca-Cola is a buy, no question about it. Yep, 69% say it's a buy. It's value. Fair value is 58. So we're 59.64. We're not fair off at fair value. It's a good time to buy if you've got funds to buy. But I've already got a very strong position. I could improve my position, but so the winner is today. It's Eric. So we're gonna thank you for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up, and thank you very much indeed. Nice one, Eric. All right, it's time to get out of here. We're just 27 days away from our second anniversary of the channel. Always a special day. It's the day we just drink and get drunk and lark about, basically. Yeah, once a year. In fact, twice a year. In fact, 3 times a year. On my birthday, the show's birthday, and Christmas. Oh yeah, New Year's Eve as well. New Year's Eve we lark about as well. 4 times in a year. Oh no. St. Patrick's Day, 5 times a year. 5 times a year. This isn't sounding good, is it? Sounding like the Drunken Crazy Show. Well, there you go. Anyway, Crag, congratulations, Eric. Let's go and end the show right there. We're keeping an eye on C3 and Virgin Galactic as well. Down 2%. Sorry. You meant down 2%. Okay. Virgin Galactic is just holding. Let's roll the credits. Who gave us a super chat today? Who became a new member? Let's have a little look, shall we? Subscribers. Tommy. We've got more subscribers. These are just the public ones who share their accounts online. We didn't get any new members and we didn't get any super chats. We did get rid of some clown, though, who pretends to be an investor from Saudi Arabia, some big rich guy. It's actually just some bot or some kid in his bedroom. Anyway, we got rid of him, but there you go. Didn't get any super chat out of him. Wasn't gonna, was we? Hasn't got any money. Anyway, that's it from me. Thank you very much for joining us. The studio has turned green again. Right the last few moments, we are green again, and it's going up quite quickly, which is nice. This portfolio is resilient and strong. Yep. Looking nice. AI is starting to look a little bit weak now. Virgin Galactic is still holding that 333 support line of 326, yet not broken. We hope it remains like that. Oh, here he is. He's back in again. I'm here. He had to get his name in. Look, right end of the show. There you go. This is our friend here. Look. All right. We welcome everybody. Just be nice. Don't be rude. And you can get a lot out of it. That's it from me. Have a wonderful afternoon. See you back for the closing bell. As always, take care of yourselves, take care of your money, your crypto, and each other. See you back in a couple of hours for the live show. Bye-bye for now.
Snowwolf 1999 has become a member.
Hey, and right on the bell. We were just about to end the stream. We went to end the show, and we're back. We're back because we got to celebrate a member. Talk about flipping timing. I actually ended the show. And I was just about to confirm ending the show, and you came back. I got that. So just bear with me. We've got a member just become a member. Snowwolf 1999. This is Snowwolf has just become a member. I literally had ended the show. We were done, and we had a member. Many of you have gone. Many of you think the show has ended. That's really funny. So Snowwolf, are you still here? Yes, Snowwolf. I don't know. Yes, he is here. Are you here? Waited for the last minute. You certainly did. Right. You have many perks and benefits I'm going to give to you now. Many perks and benefits. So first of all, I want to celebrate your membership. I'm going to give you all your benefits. Okay. So let me first of all do this again.
Snowwolf 1999 has become a member.
Fantastic. Thank you very much. You become a silver member to our channel. Now, what does that mean? First of all, you can be recognized as a member of our family. You are supporting the live shows. These live shows would not exist if it wasn't for the members. So thank you very much for supporting the live shows. You've got a blue badge, which will turn green, then yellow, gold, red, and then purple, and your benefits will grow over time. You can now access all the members-only videos. Videos that only the members can see. You can see now behind the scenes, the parties, the information that we can't share to the general public. You can now see all of these. We have live shows just for the members. We have shows where only the members can comment. We have exclusive members get-togethers where all the members are invited to attend. Only members can be part of all of that. Also, on top of that, you can, as a silver member, you can have a 20-minute fundraiser or a special event, maybe a birthday anniversary. People pay me hundreds of dollars to do live events for them, for anniversaries, memorials, special occasions, whatever. You can have it completely for free as a silver member, a 20-minute event. Also, every time you are here in the live show, if you want me to do a poll, ask a question, I will review a stock, and I will also can review a stock in depth for you as a silver member. So I can do that for you live on the show. If you want me to make a video on a certain stock, I will. If you want me to buy shares in a stock, I will. If you give me a super chat now and you say, hey, buy 10 shares of Binky Bonk, I'll buy it and make a video on it. Also, you can now access Discord and talk to us. You can call in live to the show. It takes 10 minutes to get through. So I'm going to give you that now and give you 10 minutes. Otherwise, I will do it this afternoon when you come back. Here's the Discord link. It takes 10 minutes. Once you are in, I will upgrade your account. All right. And how I do that is this. When you go to Discord, it will take 10 minutes to get through. You will appear in the welcome all screen. Let me go over now to the welcome all. Right at the top of the channel on Discord is the welcome all. It's a public channel and only members will get upgraded. Okay, so you'll come in here and there is Eric B. He's already there. Unbelievable. Eric B. is already there. Hi, Snow. Welcome. When you arrive in here, we will upgrade you. So it separates you from the bots and scammers like Mustafa, you know, that clown earlier. It separates you because you can call in, you can share links, you can share information that I can verify, you can call on the show, be live with a video, or you can call in via audio, whatever you like. You come in here and we'll upgrade you. So I am going to set a 10-minute clock. It's now 10:36. So if you're not, I'm going to wait 10 minutes. If you're not in 10 minutes, then this afternoon for the live show, I will upgrade you. All right. So we will wait 10 minutes. If you look on the home page of the YouTube channel, if you look down at the top, you will see the upcoming live streams. These are all this is like a TV guide. These are all the upcoming live streams, and you can see what's coming up next. We go live every day at the same time. The opening and closing bell every day at the same time, and these are all the shows, and they show in your time zone. So if you click on the next show, it'll tell you, look, in 3 hours time at 2 p.m. on whatever time zone you're in, it's there. If you also look beneath the videos as well, I'm giving a full member breakdown for someone who just became a member. Snow just became a member. If you go to the actual videos as well, here, you look below the videos, you will see the CC, and we have the whatever language you set your country in, up to 14 languages, you can have the title and description in your language. The CC is in English right now, but it will be in other countries later once it's finished optimizing. Okay, but that's how you can get all the different languages. All right. Okay. I think I've covered everything for you. Now, also, as a member, if you comment to my Twitter account and you want to grow on YouTube or you want to grow on TikTok or whatever, or Twitter or Facebook, I will comment to you and hopefully that will grow your channel, because engaging with others is how you grow. And lastly, maybe most importantly, as a silver member, if you request it, and you have to request it, silver members and upwards go on the homepage of my YouTube channel. So we can promote you. So if you want to grow your YouTube channel, and on certain days, I will do members days and get everyone to subscribe to you. So if you are a YouTuber who wants to grow, another great benefit of my channel, silver members and upwards, I put you here on the homepage. And on certain days, I get everyone to subscribe to you. Now, I'll just tell you now, I only do it if you request it. I don't do it otherwise. If you're not bothered about growing your YouTube channel, you don't care, then I don't. But if you want me to, then just ask me and I will do it for you. All right, so we're just giving you 10 minutes and then we're going to go because you became a member and we want to help and support you. And while we're waiting for you to do that, don't forget the giveaway, the newsletter, all the good stuff. Here's the giveaway for you. Here is the newsletter. Remember to verify your email. If you don't verify it, you won't get it. Check your junk folder. It is a newsletter. Often goes into the junk folder. There it is. Okay, we've another 5 minutes to go. If he's not in Discord in the next 5 minutes, Eric, we will go and we will try to catch him later. The markets have turned green again. You had a chance to buy this morning. You had a chance to get in with Coca-Cola. It did dip. It's I wouldn't be surprised. Yep, it's going back up. It gave you a discount. It never does. A 1% discount on Coke is a good discount. That discount is now gone. Very nice. Virgin Galactic is coming back up. It doesn't want to break that 326 level, which is good. Will it turn green today, which would be nice? Very positive. I've got a couple more minutes. Let me just see. Is Snow Wolf doing it? Let me just see if Snow Wolf is trying to become a Discord member. Are you doing Discord? If not, let me know. Because if you're not, oops, I meant Discord. If you're not, I'll end the show. There's no point waiting. Because you might not want to do it. You might go, I don't care about Discord, and that's fine. But we're just giving you the opportunity to have access to all our services. You might not want them, and if you don't, that's absolutely fine. I can get off. All right. Just going to give it a couple more seconds. Wait for a response. I know he's watching. He might not be aware that I'm messaging him. Mullen, Tesla, Lucid, Apple, Amazon, AI. It's dropped just a little bit below that dollar, which is the right thing to do. It's gone back up again. It is still trending up. And nothing goes up forever, straight line. Walmart, we added to our position the other day. We bought a share and we're still down on it. Tesco, Next Era, Enphase, Bitcoin, Tilray. It's come up a bit, but disastrous really. Robinhood. Oh, Robinhood broke through 9. I didn't even see it do it. I didn't even see it do it. I wasn't paying any attention. Robinhood, fantastic. I'm up 4.78 and 2.76. I said to you I would trim at 9.30 and it wasn't that far off. I wasn't paying any attention to it. That's good. Robinhood's going to do very well. I'm sure of it. IonQ, very nice stock. This one now up 200% on that one share. I sold my position at 25%. It says I joined. Right. It takes 10 minutes to be able to speak. So in Discord. So you've joined. Have you verified the email and done all the good stuff? Because what you need to do now is come into the welcome all screen here. This is the welcome all. And then you can come on in. I don't know what your name on Discord is until you come in. I've got no idea who you are. People use different names. I don't know who you are. I don't know what you're called. Are you Snowflake? I've got no idea. I don't know which one you are here. So until you come on in, I can't do anything. These are all the people that are online right now in my channel. I don't see a Snowflake. I've got no idea. Sorry, it's not Snowflake. Snow Wolf. Sorry about that. Where did that come from? So welcome all. Just come in here. And as soon as you say hello, it does take a few minutes, as I say, to get verified. We will wait for you as you are doing it. Crag sent me some information. Thank you very much indeed, Crag, for that. Ken Baxter information. I appreciate it very much. Oh my gosh, look at IonQ. I'm up 200% on my one share. I sold at 25% up. IonQ, we had no idea that AI was going to explode like this. Incredible, incredible stuff. Yeah, missed out on that, didn't we? But not important what we don't have, it's what we do have. What's important. The rest of it is not important. So you're looking for the welcome all screen on the top left-hand corner of Discord. And then you can write in the welcome all. And then as soon as you do that, I can upgrade you. Virgin Galactic, 336, nearly turning green. The overall portfolio is green again though today, which is good. Lucid, Apple, Amazon, McDonald's, Coca-Cola. Gave us a discount. Walmart, Tesco. Let's look at our Bitcoin, 27. Still think it's going to go down before it pops up. I think I'm going to have to go because I wanted to stay because a silver member is very important, very special. But I think it's taken more than... Is it 10 minutes now? I think we're just coming up to 10 minutes. I should have set a timer. I didn't do that. Maybe I should have done. Anyway... I'm going to give it a couple more moments. See what happens. Most people went. They thought the show had ended, which it did. He literally caught me as I was running out the door. Anyway. We're just waiting for a member to get upgraded. Welcome all our guests on Rumble today. Welcome to all of you. Let's go over to the homepage on Rumble and see if I got onto the live today. This is Rumble. Well, we're just waiting for Snow Wolf. Let's scroll down here. We're looking for the live. I'm not featured as a live today, but on the finance section, which is there, I am 4th from the top, which is nice. It shows the top 10. It always shows the top 10. So I'm always making the homepage at the moment. Very good. There I am, right there on Rumble. Thank you to all of you for joining me this morning. Picking up any Procter & Gamble. I'm fully invested at the moment. I've got nothing to sell. To buy anything else. I'm fully invested. I bought the Virgin Galactic dip. So no, I'm not buying anything at the moment. C3 AI, we're waiting for another dip again. If we can get back in again. Virgin Galactic is holding. Right, let's go back now. Our final check. Aha! I think we might have our guest have arrived. So... Step bro, it's me, Snow. Okay, I need you to confirm on YouTube. I need you to confirm it's you on YouTube because people pretend to be you to claim your benefits. So Snow Wolf, confirm it is you. Confirm it is you, and I will upgrade you. I know it sounds obvious, but people all the time, like our clown earlier, people like that will come in, pretend to be you because they want to get your benefits. They want to get all your giveaways and all the attention, basically. So we're not going to give it to somebody else. We want to make sure this is you. So Step Bro 21, just confirm on YouTube that that is you. And the moment you do that, I will upgrade you. Just say it's you on YouTube and we are good to go. We're just waiting a few more seconds. That's me. Brilliant. So the first thing I have to do then is change your name here on our channel. I'm not changing your name anywhere else. It's just here. It's a nickname. So we know that you are Snow. Okay? We need to know that you are Snow Wolf because of trust. Lots of people will message you pretending to be me. Snowwolf 1999, okay? We give you the same name here so we all know who you are. Now then, Snowwolf 1999, you will get contacted by lots of people pretending to be me. I ban them all the time. They can't speak in the server. However, they can message you because your name is public, right? You know they're not me. The reason they're not me is I never message you. I only ever reply to you if you message me. So just know that I will not message you. You can also tell which is the real me because I am in gold, and because I'm the owner of the server, they're all in white. Also, if you right click on me, you will see that my profile says I am the owner of this channel. I have the role of owner and 3655. So you know it's me, okay? I am the owner of this channel. All right. Roles. See, look, the roles. I am owner. They are not. So if anyone messages you, it's not you. Okay. So now I've given you the name on here. I'm going to give your membership to you. Now what this does, if I give you a role of member, as long as you are a member, then you get access now to all the members' channels. Over here, you can see Moose's tips, Sensei's tips, Ed Nevius's tips, what they're trading before they're trading it. You can now scroll to the bottom and you can come in. Now, if you want to call in, you can. The broadcast lounge, you will see it. If you want to call in now, do you want to call in, say hello? You can actually click that, either video or just audio from your phone, your device, whatever you like, and you can be live on the show. Now, as a member, you can also share. Every morning, we go into the breakfast lounge. We go to the breakfast lounge every morning, and we share what we're doing for the day. So here is where do I put the breakfast lounge? Am I looking right at it, aren't I? Why can I not see it? Oh, there it is. Sorry, it was shut down. Every morning, we go into the breakfast bar. You can come in here and share what you're doing. We send pictures in and stuff like that. If you want to share, share clips for the show, that is it. Live clips of the show. Links for YouTube. So if you want to send in some information that you want me to discuss, maybe you have a favorite stock with favorite information, a link to a website or whatever, you can be a researcher for the show. You can go in here, links for YouTube, and you can see that someone's Eric sent this in. I have information that I can share on the show. So you now can access all of the members' video, the members' channels, and so on and so forth. All right? Okay. So we're all done. So if you want to call in, you can. I'm going to end the stream right now, though. So I don't think you want to call in now. Otherwise, you would have said, I don't think. So I'm going to close the broadcast lounge down. You can call in at another time. And you can leave a testimonial. You can say anything you want or be part of the show. All right? Okay, there we go. Thank you, Snowwolf. And don't forget, I forgot, you got one other benefit as well. Finally, here in the studio, I was voted as the world piano man in my TV studio. My music studio is over there. For you or a family member, right? Son, daughter, husband, wife, whatever, you can have not only a fundraiser, but you can have a birthday as well. So for you or somebody else, once a year you can celebrate a birthday, and we'll live on the show do a happy birthday for you. You get to keep the video. People pay me $500 to make videograms for their birthdays. You get it for free as a member as well. So the idea is your membership, you get 20 times back what you put in. That's the idea. This is an investment channel, so your very membership is an investment to the channel. You are providing the live shows for everybody, yourself, and also you are getting all those benefits, which should be 20 times back what you put in. At least 20 times back. If you only ever did the birthday, $500. I mean, value there that you get for free. Okay, there we go. That's it. Now I can end the show again. We tried to end it earlier, and right on the button, we got a new member. Can you believe it? That was pretty incredible how that happened. So now we're going to roll the credits again because we have to honor our member today. So that's it. Let's get out of here. See you back in a bit. Roll the credits again. Here we go. I can't believe that happened. That's never happened before, that we actually ended the show. And there you go. Snow Wolf, new member on the credit on the credit list this time. Snow Wolf 1999. That's it from me. Thank you very much indeed. I'll see you all back for the closing bell. We're not going to play all this through this time. We're going to end this time. And that was a special moment there for our new member. Thank you ever so much indeed. That's it from me. Take part in the giveaways. Make sure that you go and have a look at my Vegas showgirls here. I was giving you a little clip of it earlier. On my music channel, Sam Connery has liked the stream on Facebook. Thank you very much indeed. If you want to go and check out my Vegas showgirls, there they are on the screen for you. This is one of the videos we're featuring, and you can win $100 by leaving a comment and watching it. There you go. But that's it from me. Thank you ever so much indeed. Until next time, thanks a lot. Bye-bye for now. Have a wonderful afternoon. And I will see you back for the closing bell. Until then, as always, take care of yourselves. Take care of your money, your crypto. We are ending now, right? There's somebody sat there waiting to become a member. Too late. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye for now.